Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. My boy, my first son come up from Florida. Him there. I spend look of summertime with him father and all these things. So we having a wonderful time, and him knowing good daddy have to do him thing right. Just so you understand? We're right, Zion? Huh? Right? You know daddy have to do him thing, don't? Well on. My son says he wants to be a YouTuber. You want to be a YouTuber? Huh? You still want to be a YouTuber? Talk up loud, make me hear, because the people can't hear. Do you still want to be a YouTuber? No, talk up loud, no man. Stop for yourself.
Yes.
Yeah, what you want to do on YouTube? Play games?
Yes.
Do you know that some people have they make millions and millions here and they do all kinds of stuff here that, they do really well and they have full career. Like, there was a time when to be a YouTuber, people be like, lazy and an ambition. That has changed. That has changed. All right? So anyway, we'll have to talk about that because, probably just want to play games. Anyway, all right, so what upon jacket mix-up or any other mix-up or this other thing there, jacket mix-up or any other mix. Oi, see it, it's summer coming in, man. Time I get hot. Jacket mix-up or any other mix-up and thing, send on a request them and thing. And again, like the live. If like the live, just tap the screen and like the live. Of course, tap the screen, like the live. Also, follow me. If you're not following me yet, follow me right now. Again, if you're not following me yet, no. I'm going to talk about AC. The weather good, just the weather good, right? But, right. I mean, AC not too, well, I like AC, but it can't be too much for me, It can't be. That dry out throat something.
Okay. So listen, I was working at this nursing home in Kingston, and I met this Jamaican lady. We became friends, and
stay right. That's a right. That's a right. That's a don't move. Just say yeah. That right. That's where you're there now. Yeah.
Okay. So we became friends, and I wound up having a situation where I was looking for an apartment.
Mm-hmm.
And she came to me and said, "You know what? We've been cool for so long. How about you just come and take the basement apartment by my house
Mm-hmm.
with me and my husband and my 2 kids?"
Mm-hmm.
So I said to her, "Okay, no problem." I moved in, everything was fine. Months passed, there was no problem. And all of a sudden, the woman started acting different.
Mm-hmm.
So usually, she's a nice housewife, she was a CNA, the husband, he was the one that was really the breadwinner. And, she started dating other people, she going out late. One day the woman called me and said, "Oh, you're not downstairs. I needed a pregnancy test because I think I might be pregnant."
Okay.
And I said to her, "Okay, pregnant for who?" And she said, "Not her husband or next man."
Mm-hmm.
So I tried to stay out of the mix. So one day she came to me and said, "I want to introduce you to my brother-in-law. I like him and I think he would suit you." But she never tell me that the man was married.
Right.
So it's not until I start to talk to the man and I realize the man is married and he have 2 kids himself.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, fast forward, me and the man start talk. We start deal even though he was a married man. So now the woman start act different with me. She start have attitude. Just create all kind of problems for no reason. So one day I sit her down and I said to her, "But I thought you were the one that came to me and told me you have a friend for me that you like."
Right.
So what is the problem now that me and him is dealing, although he is married? What's the problem?
So well, she start move X with you. She start move weird with you and thing and whatever, right?
Exactly, Raga.
Oh.
Come to find out, she didn't want the man the whole time, and she was just looking for somebody to mash up the man's marriage. But that wasn't my deal. I wasn't concerned with his marriage. I just wanted to deal with him a little bit, make a little money off of him, and do what I have to do. Get my own apartment and come out to the people basement. That's all I was concerned with, not to mash up nobody's marriage.
Right.
So, time passed now, and the woman started dropping hints to her husband that the guy have some woman that he's dealing with. And she started to tell him, okay, I think Jasmine is dealing with the guy
Hold on. She start drop into fear husband say what?
that because it's his brother-in-law,
A theme brother-in-law.
right? That how since I moved there, I see them on
Well,
one side.
your voice muffled again, you know. We don't know.
You can hear me?
I don't know what you do, but your voice muffled again just now. We did hear you clear just now.
How about now?
Yeah, go on.
Okay. So she's
Right, yes, we are hear you now, yeah.
right. So she started to drop hints to her husband that I am dealing with the man, but she never tell her husband that she is the one pushed me on to the guy, right? She tried to make herself look innocent. Anyway, so I'm dealing with this man, and he gave me money to move out. I got an apartment. Everything was looking good. The guy even spent on money for me to get a little vehicle, and things was looking good. And of course, me stupid, I would tell her all the things that was going on, not knowing.
So he must spend money upon you, give you money, make you get a vehicle and all them something there and everything.
And an apartment.
Yeah, and an apartment too. Wow, okay.
Yes, yes.
So
He was an MTA bus driver at that time, so he was making good money. This
okay.
2009.
Right. So okay. So and everything was going good for you from him, you are tell she.
Right, thinking that this is my friend.
Right, because she
Not
give the link for there with him.
exactly.
Right, okay.
Not knowing that she is going back and telling her husband everything. So, anyway, so I tell her everything that's going on. Me and her wind up stop being friends because she was just moving too weird. So other people that knew in my family that we was together, they were telling me you need to break this off because this man is a married man. You need to go find somebody else. So I decided, all right, you know what? I know what I'm doing is wrong. A year passed. I get some things from him. Let me go look somebody else. Anyway, I wind up going to this reggae concert that was at the Barclays Center. And I met a man there at the concert. We winded up sitting next to each other.
You winded up what?
Sitting next to each other.
Okay.
And we met at the concert. We started date. He was a correctional officer in Rikers. And people were telling me, these correctional officers, they're very freaky. So it might not be a good idea for you to go date this officer. But I didn't pay that no mind because I liked the guy. All right, now we're going on dates. 2 months passed. And the man said to me, listen, you're coming to my house tonight. And I said, all right. So I know at that point, something, I'm going to dash him something.
Yeah, yes, sir. If you know, say you gotta dash him something. So
Yeah.
Oh, you mean you reach a point where you gotta dash out
Yeah.
boss him. Cause you know what's
Yeah.
up when him say forward. Yeah. Okay,
Exactly.
cool. Yeah.
So we gone to the man house at night now. Everything good. Things start going on. Proper sort out getting ready to happen now.
Where it's a proper start to get ready for send on,
Exactly.
Yeah.
So after this, everything start, the man decide he want to swipe. So I said, all right. So the man starts swipe now and asks me while he's swiping if he could see about himself. You know what I mean?
If him could what?
See about himself while he's swiping.
While he swipe him like
You know what I
help
mean?
himself. Go and do
Right.
something to him.
Right.
Yeah.
So After the man do that now, things start going on and the man reaches peak. So the man said to me, all right, can I do, on your leg? And
No,
I said,
no,
why not?
hold on. Why
I
am I
don't
to,
want
why
more
am I to,
vulgar on your
no, hold
episode.
on. Why, are we onto something different now? Why am to the woman,
No.
husband,
Remember
brother-in-law?
I said I met the correctional officer.
Yeah,
He went out and he said, come to
the
his
reggae
house.
show at Barclays, right?
Yes.
But no, what I'm saying, I noticed we now one deep mix up with him. But what happened to the first mix up? The one that they done?
Remember the married man, people were telling me to take a break from him and go find somebody else because he's married. So I took a break from him to go find somebody else, but it happened that this particular time I was at the Barclays Center.
No. I know, I get that. I'm not.
It's getting to you'll understand. You let me finish.
All right, so you reach a point where he must swipe what him say him pop off my leg.
Yes, correct.
That's weird. But anyway, go on.
And then I said, no problem, do your thing. Raga, the man pop off on my leg and swore up all of his something.
No. That no, we not those details we don't, really want.
Well, Raga, sorry about that, but let me tell you.
It's okay. So him pop off, and
After
then
he
after
do
him
that,
pop off, you say him slurp it up. But that's
yes, Raga,
anyway. With the
Raga,
hold on, do it. But what? All right. So after that, what happened?
Raga, I wind up on the Belt Parkway with no panty, no pants on. I just run out the house one time soon as he do that. My shoes, everything in the man apartment. Raga, no, Raga,
No, we say after him do that, clearly
Raga, I
is that
take
just
off
something weird.
running.
You run out of place.
Raga, I was so scared because the man had a tool on his side table. I said, Lord, I don't want this man to shoot after me. Jesus Christ. Raga, I take off running. Panty and pants, everything left in the man apartment. Thank God I grabbed my cell phone. I had to call one of my family members to come pick me up right on the Bell Parkway. Raga,
You
I wind up back with the married man. I had no choice. That just turned me off to try and date anybody else. So I just stay with the married man a little while longer until that just mash up on its own.
so how long you stay with the married man after that?
Probably about 6 months.
About 6 months after that.
Yeah, and that was it. But at least I had my car and a little apartment out of it.
So what happened with the woman who get the link for you and the man where she did a take
I
and
stopped talking to her. I left her alone because when I saw how she was behaving, mind you, she's married herself, so I don't know why she was concerned with that to begin with. But I get something out of it. I stopped talking to her, and that's it.
okay. Wow. Okay. Okay. I mean, what you said the guy did was yeah. It's actually a thing out there, and when I was hosting out some people, I've heard it all. I thought I did, but I must admit that night when a woman said, "No, that's that yeah,
Rather,
men do them something and them like them something there." That one that threw me for a loop, so I could
yeah,
understand how bugged out you were about it and thing. All
rather
right,
when I put on my panty, I was wondering what the man do with my panty and pants because he never called me about things.
okay, all right then. Okay, then bless up yourself here.
All right, rather.
That was that was a Yeah, but minute. One of that I look at difficulty I follow right. It's because she segue. Usually I'm good at this. I've been doing this for a while. But she segue into something and gone in one deeper thing, with the other man, the correction officer, like me they get lost for a second. So what the objective in terms of, when somebody tell a mix up, it has a goal, it has an end point. And then, when you have them segue there, you're not sure, what you have heard already. Where you hear already, I prep for something and you want to hear more where this I go. But then when you segue now, you're like, everything we did here already. So where that go? Where that did I go? It kind of threw me for a loop right there, so, Okay, jacket mix up or any other mix up on have jacket mix up or any other mix up on have jacket mix up or any other mix up on have. No, me know I would try something else. Me don't know if you not pick up with me.
Fast, man.
Hello.
Okay, loud and clear, all right.
Hello.
Yeah, I need to set up this so I can like me and
See you something there, man.
To like bring in the TikTok.
Elaine.
Raga!
Yeah, wagwan.
No clothes!
Wait, Alien too cute this.
Yes!
Wagwan, my friend. Glad you come over, man. Cause you know people over here ask you, what Alien too cute this? You know, TikTok and whatever, and all kind of things. And see you know. Now, man, the people them did ask for you, boo.
It's a break up, voila!
What ya? How Alien gone? Alien. Let me see. Oh, God. Alien Wi-Fi. Alien forward. Cause it look like you're up on your neighbor Wi-Fi, Greetings. Hello.
Hi, Raga.
Wagwan.
We better this evening.
Eh? If what?
We're good this evening on your echo same way.
It better now, yeah. You sound like you in a people bathroom still, but
I am in the bathroom.
well, we're here the bathroom echo and thing, but at least we're here you now, though.
All right. So, me just kind of put back off on what that lady just said. I'm going to make you know that you have men like that.
You have what?
There are men like that.
That is a thing. Yeah, echo see me. But that is a thing out there, man. It's yeah.
Yeah, it is a thing. And guess what? I have a friend,
Yeah.
male.
Yeah.
He never come out and set in the straight so like he's bi.
Yeah.
But obviously, you're an idiot. Because, like, the conversation him we have with me just know. And one of the things him always said to me, like, me deal in a freakiness, but I'm not a freaky girl.
Yeah, me no want to go into them details with that something they do, yeah.
No, me not go make it, me code it out, but we just say. One of the things he always said to me,
Yeah.
never done it. But him always tell me like say, yo, anytime you do anything, make the man, inside of you and just keep come with me.
I don't want to hear. No, I don't want that. I don't want to. Yeah, my car.
I know it might be squeamish because you're a man and like you're a thing that. But it exists.
It exists. Okay, right.
But I never done it, people. I never do it, I'm not do it. Because it make me cringe when him say them something to me.
No, I've heard it from women that men do that. Then after them done do that, then them take back that in that way, and
yeah, but just to show you, that there are people out there that's more than that because he's actually saying from somebody else.
I don't. No. I don't want to hear the details. I can't manage it.
Me know it make me cringe Mr. Raga, I
Yeah,
make
yeah, I
it
can't manage
all
it.
the
I can't
time.
manage it. I can't
But
manage it.
there are people out there that exist like
Them
that.
do that.
There's
Okay.
some crazy people out there.
No,
Satan, they're
people do.
Satan.
No, me hear some things and I hear some crazy things. You know, some of them I share with you know the live fish one. I hear all kind of something or whatever. You know, I don't know. You probably never used to listen out to order. Trust me. If it out there, it was said on out to order.
You
Right?
know me never hear the one that way?
You never hear about that show there, right?
Me hear the name, but I never heard or seen the show.
Nah, man, it was a talk show I did, but it was an adult sex entertainment talk show where you could just speak freely, and we did it. I did it for 10 years,
Wow.
and you know, our Ragashanti Live was popular in Jamaica.
Right, yes.
It was no Ragashanti Live was nowhere near as popular as Outer.
So where you used to keep that?
Eh?
So how, where you used to keep that? How me never hear about it?
Nah, man, it Outer was just off the chain, and then so it's like everything what going out in the world, people just come and talk about it and free up, and it was you know, it was just crazy, you know. But this and two other one of me don't even gonna mention. Me couldn't manage them when, and I listen to anything. Me listen to anything. Yeah, let me tell you,
It is very
this
cringy,
woman,
Raga. It is very
this woman
cringy.
data Asian man, and the Asian man bring live fish, and him put the live fish, you know where upon her. And apparently when the fish goes turn her in her ear. My girl said no, may I use code, you know. My girl said she reach. So what I'm
But the
saying,
live fish, Raga,
yeah, the live fish.
and she allowed that?
Yes, she allow it. You know,
No, she
the
can't
live
good.
fish, and apparently, cause fish have a whole heap of muscle when them are flatter. Apparently, it's a thing amongst them. Them Asian people, they don't put nothing past them. You think they easy and thing and whatever. So, but just I give an example of
Okay.
stuff where people call in and share. But there were three things when we just. This was one of them, you know. I don't know. I can't manage it. I can't manage it.
Yeah, but me just like that never surprised me. Like when me
Yeah.
hear, like when me see the people and man say, "Oh my," like I was like, that no surprise me.
Oh my God. Why, man? I tell you, some people stomach trang though.
There are some crazy people out there. Like they're past crazy. It's like sadist porn.
Yeah. No, me learn my lesson from that, you know. People know about my what them call the bead something, and people know about my little experience with that and whatever, you know, told me
Oh,
like.
it's like the whole whipping thing.
Nah, me one time I step to this beer and whatever and again. But you know, some of the woman who go on like an angel who can't mash and trend, man, you know, go on innocent and whatever, and when things come to bump, they sound a wheel out Zena and get wicked. But nah, man, it's just a famous situation because I was the whole time me thinks me was the one who pursue. And she was all being coy and shy and all these things and whatever. And whatever. Now, one other thing with we men, when we talk, and we say, yo, there's a couple things, you know, we know anytime, like guys, when we are talking, we are joking, we are say, yo, anytime you see a woman go so young, so and so I go on and a woman go so bam and go tie her ear in a ponytail, you know it's on, you know, man. So we joke about that, you know. We say, you know, anytime you don't want to juggle and she say, wait a look a bit and she start tie up her ear in a one.
Yeah, man, you have to tie up the ear. I'm gonna
Yeah,
tell you something.
no,
You see if you got them place and them have all a side table.
yeah.
And you did there, you know, go on. And you see them draw for the side table there. Trust me, problem in the side table there.
Okay, but you see, when anytime when you do that cringy thing, you know a problem. You better you
Problem.
a time for work, you know. But anyway,
Problem.
and then the other one now is like again, you know, guy talk, you know, we're like, yo, you ever juggle your thing? I know I said, when I look at me, need to go to the bathroom. No? And you know, whatever I say, yo, when I'm go to the bathroom, anything can happen, you know, some kind of preparation or whatever. But what is important is if she say, if you're messing around, and she said she need to go to the bathroom. There's a bunch of things women do before them get down to business. But if you're already getting down to business, and the woman said, wait, look a bit, my soon come. You know, say, something she are going to take a thing on another level because I'm already in the nitty-gritty of the thing.
Exactly.
Then, no, them
in
not.
our contraption,
All
or
right.
come out with something.
All right. So I tell you, say, this person who I tell you now, be shy, act with me and thing, you know. So you know, them look away, they call me sneaking, you know. So my thing, you know, long time I pray and thing and in our ears, you know. Man, whatever till we start deal and whatever and thing, and she act like she afraid and thing and whatever. So, you know, I go through the whole thing, they like, you know, makes you comfortable, makes you feel secure and blah, blah. Go through the whole thing, they don't rush it, raga easy and whatever. So in my mind, I'm me a leading, I'm me a the man. I'm me a the man. I'm me a guide or a nurse or a come round, you know, because I know what I want, type of thing and whatever. And then when things are going and whatever, you know, my girl say, wait, look a bit, I soon come. And then she goes, I move, but she never go to the bathroom. She go to the kitchen. And she in there for a little bit, you know. So I say, you good? She say, yeah, mama, soon come. And I said, well, you know, something exciting I'm going to go on. And look at prepping and go on and whatever.
Do you think that will come out there?
No, man, I just say, yo, just I go mix up a thing, you know, and make it get interesting and whatever. And so when me so boom, she come out of the kitchen now, you know what we in Jamaica call enamel pots, one of iron, but I know, you know enamel.
Like chocolate, you know.
Yeah, it's almost like a zinc material, but it's like an enamel. So she come out with an enamel pot. She hold it, the pot in her left hand, but her right hand in the pot. And her right hand, let me show you people, my right hand comes so in the pot. Now, needless to say, that's strange, you know. You can't make like things. Somebody said, then soon come and go in the kitchen and them come out with an enamel pot. And when she go up, now I notice her hand, her finger in her pot a glisten. So I see the glistening and go on, you know, and I say, yeah, some kind of oil in there, so, you know. But me never see what me just see the hand move up and things. So my mind I work fast. So me I say,
What is?
yeah, so me I say, you know, so obviously there's some sort of oil there. So once you say oil or grease, you think lubricant.
Right.
And then no, but then you think lubricant, but yeah, so no, my mind I work fast, you know, like, what she would I want a lubricant for? And why would you have your hand in the pot? That time you don't know why in the pot yet, you know.
But I can't even tell what's in the pot. That first me never hear
No,
this.
remember say me lay down and they are waiting, you know, for goods come back, come put it on for me, you know, and do the magic, whatever magic she go get in, you know, whatever. You understand? Cause
Right.
you know, I'm a playful guy or whatever and thing. So me just you know that look a curious thing like what you ever do?
Right.
And then she not tell me, she said, turn over.
Oh my God.
And I said, what you mean turn over? She said, a turn over, go on your belly. And I said, but what you gonna do? She said, just turn over. So I start getting uncomfortable now, you know. So I said, no, I'm not turn over, you know. You're mad, man. You want me turn over, turn my back to you. I'm gonna know it. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Exactly.
She said, turn over. Me don't worry yourself, man. And it's at that point, I remember when I time, you know, man, me not a show off, man. I mean, you know, whatever. But when I time, me did reach a point to me and tell her, I say, Ray, me I go so on, like put it on and no man it on, I give her a
Yeah.
look at argument. So I remember she said something along the lines like she does say, say you mix up a thing or say you're good like that and whatever. We're gonna mix up a thing now, turn over. But me never like her tone. Me never
Like she
like-
started getting rough.
yeah, I want different somebody from the shy
You said
person me meet the whole time.
bully.
Yeah, I want different somebody from the shy person me I chat to the whole time and whatever. So I feel it, me sense it like, yo, this not safe. This not safe. So I raise up on the bed and thing and say, so I not really too know. And what go on right here, so I'm not too comfortable still, And it has that point when I raise up now and kind of, before me even straighten up off my bed, me raise up and me say, the black bead them. She had, yeah, it's like a string of bead, the bead them, but, black.
But that's,
Huh?
if I the beat me a thing.
Hold on, man. So me say the black bead, so Miss Cherry last boy turn idiot now. Me turn like proper fool now, Me last now, like, because in my mind, you are tell me turn on and me see you have some bead in an island. And what did really I gonna do with them bead there? So in my mind, me turn idiot now. I'm gonna be honest with you. Me kind of get freed too, because when I get freed now, I start with a Jamaican man thing. They come get freed now. So when you get freed,
Yeah, but
they turn gangster.
masculine up now. Yeah, man, rough guys.
Yeah, so me I say, yo, me say my girl. Yeah, exactly. So
What
me I
you do?
say,
I want
me say my girl, hold on. How you really there, pan? What you gonna do with them bead there? I come and tell man, what you gonna do? And she was just so calm. She like just turn around and go up on the bed and turn like she don't care, which is a different person from the shy, super shy person where me. I said, boy, she afraid and she this and that. She not afraid anymore.
peace and peace and safety and sudden destruction.
What? Me I tell you, say, and say when that happen now, Miss Amanda, him drop
gone.
no, Miss
Oh,
Amanda,
God.
Miss Amanda, him drop right
Him
down
shrivel
and him
down.
said to Miss
Him
Amanda,
shrivel up.
right down. I hear him to me, we're not gonna do this,
Him
we
shrivel
are
up.
not going to do this. I'm in full agreement with him. No, we're not. We're a team. You go team. We're not gonna do this. So we voted on it. He and I, we voted on it, and we both decided this is not going to happen. Because up to now, remember some me. After everything done, my friend them tell me what it was.
So, you get where?
Nah, man. I did my place. I'm a whole me harder.
Oh.
I'm a say, B, I am have to leave, And she has to leave where? Then when I do so and say, and you say whatever, you go like it, man. I say, I don't like nothing, man. Leave, man. I have to hold me harder, man, and draw for me. And this and thing and whatever, man. I hold me harder and make she leave, man. But all me a gangster up, afraid me, friend. Me, I said, Jesus, God, look at this.
Can you imagine if you was being submissive?
Yeah.
You could be submissive.
No, man, let me tell you what bugged me out and mash up my head. Because in my mind, remember me telling you, all this time me, they think of me a lead, So me, I say, in my mind, and well, you probably don't know, I've had an experience before. That, people, I'm not going night tonight, another night. But we had an experience before, one named Sprinkle, when I was at Vassar College.
Mm-hmm.
That did really traumatize me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I understand.
But see people that put sprinkle and come
yeah, man, them there are people who listen me long time and them know about sprinkle. Me telling them about sprinkle. That is another one or whatever. So because of the trauma there and whatever, me I look at sensitivity to them women there who whatever. So, no, man, I have to hold me harder, man, I make she leave, man, and look at vexation go on and whatever and thing and whatever. But it was my place. I did my place. Yeah. Then, and when me done, whatever, I call my brethren, them, and I said, dog, you don't know about that. And I said, nah. Then I say, it name beading. And I said, what name, so? And then I tell me about... like, you lose the sun and you pull it out and sit night. That time I say, you must have rotted, mad and thing. Me. Yeah, man. So me I said that is a thing, and them I say, yeah, they know you know about, cause them know say, man did out in the street and whatever, and ray. So them I say, you never hear about that yet, and me I say, no, lion, me never hear about nothing name beading and whatever. Again, but I'm just saying all this to say, people end up in a situation where you have some people out there, man, them hardcore with them thing, yo.
Yeah, of course. Because even as a female, I know man where ask me if like a man angle them. I can't man angle a man.
Well, no, you have men who like that.
Yeah,
And sometimes some bad man,
Poke him hard and them something. I can't do that.
Well, people have them little thing out them, man, and whatever. You have to be careful to you.
And don't get me wrong, Raga, I'm a girl like this.
Yeah.
I like stuff, so I have my whip, I'm a paddle, I'm a blindfold, I have all of them something, you know.
Well, you have you have your whip and your paddle and your blindfold.
Yeah, my whip, my paddle, my
No,
blindfold,
handcuffs. No, the paddle and the blindfold. I have read that those are, they can be quite creative with the right person.
Oh yeah, if the person know what they're doing.
But what I'm saying, that whip thing, who do the whipping?
Well, I would rather the man to whip me, but him have to know where I do because then everybody know how to do that.
Oh, but you rather the man for whip you, but you have to
Yeah,
know
if
how
a
to
man
whip.
tell me to whip him, I could do it. Never look at it different.
Okay. So you love little of that, role playing something there.
Oh yeah, of course. Try my hand and all of them something with the blindfold.
No, man. Look at tying and blindfold. Them they're nice. And look at tickling and teasing and them something there. But the whip thing there is it's usually an interesting.
It takes technique. A person have to know. You can't just pick it up and decide say about and beat somebody.
No, that's
You
not
have
it.
to know how to do it.
Come in like then look a young boy that when down them, I get look at something and whatever. And as then start, pow, then start beating you, man.
No. So the thing,
I said no, no starts early and it's not.
Setting.
Yeah. Anyway, bless up yourself here.
Yeah, my Raga, no problem with there.
Yeah, man, cool, man.
All right.
Protection, cool. All right, let's go. Jacket Mixup or any other Mixup wanna have, all right? Jacket Mixup or any other Mixup wanna have. Jacket Mixup or... Hello?
What's going on, Raga?
Yeah.
They listen. May I echo?
No, but you're there with somewhere with nice I make with vehicle,
All right, I'm move on to the night they start running.
Oh, well on. All who are watching now, if you're not follow me right now. All who are watching, if you're not follow me yet, follow me right now, okay? If you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. Follow me right now. Follow me right now. Soon not follow me.
All right, you hear me now?
Some people. Yeah, man, we are hear you. All right, what you say?
Well, I want similar experience more and give you like year one to
What happened to you?
Alright, so I don't know why I'm echo. You hear the echo, right?
No, it not. No, well on then. I go do something. All right then. It a go sound. Echo for we, but go on talk. It a go sound a little better now. Go on.
All right.
It look better now?
Yeah, man.
All right, yeah, talk up now.
All right, so I tell you basically all this on one night. Me actually then New Kingston, one club in New Kingston named Escape, right?
Yeah. Top of Nutsport Boulevard. Yeah.
So I got the club on Friday afterwards.
Mm-hmm.
Me and my co-worker them and meet this nice lady from uptown.
Yeah.
Come from up Cherry Garden.
Yeah.
But me talking to her, it turned out to be like a one night stand.
Yeah.
So we end up at me now. After we leave the club, she said she invite me up a fair place.
She invite you to fair place.
Yes, Raga.
All right.
So But alright. I go take the chance and go. Reach in and thing now. And reach up our place. Our house nice and big and pretty and everything.
All right.
So we go in and sit in and she said me can sing in my couch. And then she asked me if I want something for drink and so forth. So I said, what? And I get some nice treatment and all, so like something will go on good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so she carry some champagne. I'm going to drink the champagne after I'm done the champagne. I tell her if you know I'm strong, so she give me some rum.
Yeah.
And I think rum and Hennessy.
Okay. You mix
So,
rum with Hennessy?
yeah, man, rum with Hennessy.
You drink them separate?
No, mix them together with cranberry water.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, but it's a creep, I know.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah, so you know what say, one time didn't know, she said she go shower and me can go shower in another bathroom. So one time I go shower now and she gone shower. She said me for go in her room upstairs and must wait for her or something. So when I go in the room now, based on me being the open-minded person, I tell her from me and her at the club.
Yeah.
And what me I gonna do and everything what we are gonna do. When I reach in, I'm go up on the bed now. So she come out with handcuff.
Yeah.
After she be and come out with her towel with handcuff and thing. Me did I hesitate about it in my mind. I'm sorry. I go with the floor. Raga. I go there and lay down on the bed. She handcuff my 2 hand and my 2 foot.
Which part you handcuff them? Pan the bed and
The
the bed
bed.
foot? Yeah, okay.
The bed and the something there.
Yeah.
The bed head and the lower part of the bed.
Yeah.
And after that, I just see 3 girls appear out of nowhere.
Jesus. 3 more.
3 more girls.
And then what?
And then, Raga, I bag things that more things say.
Yeah.
They never use no bead or nothing like that. Or no farm or that. But I think like, I did enjoy myself. One of them, they don't have the lower part. One day over the top part, if you know what I mean.
Uh-huh.
And I not lie, I did enjoy it. I did enjoy it.
But them never do nothing to you where you never expect.
Just the handcuff. I never said the handcuff, but when I see exactly where them up to, and then I gonna need no strap on or no farm or thing like that.
Right.
I just go with the flow.
You just go with the floor. Okay. And what so was she and 3 other somebody and them Shelly out?
Yeah, Shell me out, tell me I say one day over my face and the other one day lower. And the other 2 they take care of them one another until they take turn.
All right. Okay. All right.
Yeah,
All
man.
right. Okay, that's it. All right, then respect for that one there, here, sir.
Yeah, man, all right.
All right, man. Blessings, man. Cool. Why? Somebody make a post and thing and whatever, and you're damn right. You know, I don't know. me get too old for certain things. Me just listen right, you know. You see me? Great, Ilian.
Bamboo, your time.
You're Ilian. Yeah. Come in, man. Come talk to me, man. What go on, boo-boo?
That's so low. You're not going to pay with so low. So I'm not here.
Nah, man. Ilian.
I wish you didn't know what you know.
Tell her to come in, man. Tell her it's a fair time, you know, man. Come chat to me.
Indian. Hey. Raga.
Wagwan.
All right, you go on the
Nah, man, I tell you something good, man. I'm a better you know for hear your voice, man. I want me to hear you later.
Jesus, me I tell you, me miss you.
But there, man, me over here saw juggle, man. I over here saw do it now, you know.
Me I tell you, Raga, Mr. My sister, you so make me watch up on YouTube, you know.
Yeah.
And then Atan Spicy text me wish last week one day and say, you man the on TikTok.
Yeah.
And she sent me the link and it's all good.
See
What
that.
are we a push up your meds?
What are we, what?
Punsi! Mash up your meds!
Well, but Alien, you're supposed to hear Punsi already, man. You never hear Punsi yet.
And it first me hear it, God no. But
You
me hear
lie.
the first one.
You lie. I first
God
hear Punsi.
no.
Nah, man, Punsi them for a long time. Remember, say 20 odd years ago, me make Punsi, you know. I always play it for me show them, you know.
Maybe my head. Sometimes my head go and come in around.
Nah, man, you're good, man. Yeah, no, man, you're good. So what going down there, man? Hey, me here, so the one, what's your name again? We always I call the show them and I tell lie. One night time, you just send me a look at record and
Me soon tell her what she miss talented.
yeah, multi-talented.
Realize she said
yeah.
she mixed up my name with the Atan Spicy.
Yeah.
Talk sure.
And I thought about she and Miss Kitty look the same and shape the same. And when me see her, when me see picture, I was like, oh God, why would this woman say something like that? Man, you think she easy?
I'm a do man back, man.
But she called dear pastor all the while, though.
Regular.
Okay.
And with a little innocent vice same way.
Yeah, and sound like, yeah, I look at Gina, you know.
When she trouble people and you run after her, she start ball.
See it there.
Me not like them people that, you know, and make problem when you run them down. Them start
bad, yeah. Them love for this shit and can't take it, you know.
Exactly. So how you them?
Them good, man. Them good, man. Me I give thanks, man. Them kind of crazy and mad like a me. And but you know, discipline when time to come for discipline them, but you know, very bright. They're all very bright, like, and they have these wonderful personalities, and them laugh every day, like me tell them they should, and them, you know, them I learn when me I teach them and thing. You know, picnic, so picnic I gotta do what picnic do, and whatever. So. But it's all good. I'm just very, very grateful because, you know, you have other people out, they have some tremendous challenges and thing. And for the most part, I just give thanks every day, say, you know, like things balance out for them, you know, and it's all about them right now, you know. You see. Thanks for asking.
Mixed up still, but no one big up Tina, too cute, and the rest of who them will always run me down from the radio station and me no ramp around left them.
You see? You said them always around you know that you don't ramp around left them, no?
Yeah, I'm not stand up and take no leak rather.
You see it. But let me hear the mix up, man. Yeah.
All right, Raga.
Hey.
May I talk to this man over phone for 8 years?
Yeah.
Yeah, I one youngster and he live a foreign dancer. I'm always a tell me so if you come check him.
Yeah.
But more time he push be a badness over the phone.
Yeah.
I said, me now go so far left from town and go so far, and then next thing my family can't find me rather.
Yeah.
You know, so me never go. We talk over the phone. He cuss me block him. He use other phone and call me. He tell me say him have me number on a calendar. So no matter what me do, him always a come. Anyway, him end up at town now.
Yeah.
So me decide to link him now at town.
Yeah.
And we go on with ourselves, you know, we start out did good.
Yeah.
First day, one day we start out, you know. So drop asleep and everything.
Oh,
So
so
when
well, I
me
want on a link at town, on a link at hotel.
no man in Liverpool now.
Oh, him live at town now, so you link him at new
Yes.
place at town, cause he moved from Klein.
Right.
Okay.
So me rather got town man we
Yeah, Clark, country and thing. Yeah,
Because me don't know countryside.
yeah,
And me can't run. When me can run up and down a town naked, me can't run a country naked.
yeah, yeah. So you meet him and thing and it go and go the sort out, turn up and thing and go and good and then what happen?
Yeah. So they drop asleep on them something. So when me wake up, we go, so me tell him, say, one for the road. I mean, give me one for the road, but me couldn't manage the one for the road because you know second round everybody in Ragashanti. So him
We're talking iPhone. So wait, so when you wake up back now and if you leave now, you say one for the road. And when
Yes.
you put on the one for the road, you couldn't manage that one there because you said I wanted the third because the second round always bilious, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
So anyway, I'm ease me up and me come home and it's all good, you know?
Yeah.
So him invite me and place again. And me go so sleep over time now.
Right.
And Raga, one night, me a girl, me love listen to Dear Pastor done.
Yeah.
One song, one long time song play, you know them long time songs. So me tell him, say, come, make we do a back out. So, me give me back out, and me say, video me. But me face not, me, you know, I just down here, start show, I go in and out. So,
Yeah, so you said video me when the backers are saying and down.
yeah.
Yeah.
Video me.
Yeah.
When me come home, me show my sister, me send a video to my niece, and me send it to two of my friends them. Because you know no face now show, just down here for sure.
Yeah.
So one of my friends reply and say, if your juju never tied, that would have drop out. That no stiff. Anyway, me go back again, Roga, and sleep. Do the night shift and sleep. You know, the early morning. Me feel smarty and rub me down and them something there. So you know, so they little of the raga. What is raga? When me take a sap, my crew.
Nah, crew.
Nah, crew and can't crew. I do something, I know the cock, no crew. So me I ask him, what you wake me up for?
Yeah.
What you wake me up for me sleep, brother? And him dead and him a rubber, no raga, nothing. Me vex and me just go beard and put on my clothes because raga, him not firm.
Oh.
Maybe true him just a meet me in the firm and me no know raga but him something no good.
What you mean it not good? But it did good with the first time.
The first time me no know what happened. Maybe a true he just a test the water.
But how old him was? How old him was at that time?
Him about 52.
Oh, and probably did kind of take something for help him out in the first time, you know.
Me no know raga. I don't know about from that. It's something now work proper.
It no work at all, and even one from you show them, you show your people them the video when you make him video the backers and thing, and you say, them time that when them see it, them must say, yo, you know, so this is not the fullness, it not dead at all.
It not dead, they must say the juju never tight, it could have drop out. Woman tell me that.
Yeah. So how that end up now with you and him?
Anyway, me and him have a little misunderstanding. I'm not asking the man to start tell me about me dead son, me dead mama, and them see that I just black and delete reach too far. Reach
No,
so
and
my
gone too
dead
far.
mother.
Cross a line this so now, you know?
Yes, my dead mother, my dead son, so someone send me raga. So voice note, I just block him.
Yeah.
I say, anyone in call me pan me just a block them same way as me hearing voice. Yeah,
No, him go lose this so, man. Him go
yeah,
lose this so.
man.
Yeah, cross up couple lines this so, you know?
Raga no matter me we are argue. Make we argue about what we are arguing. No come talk about no family. It's not here the family them a argue. Me and you.
Somebody say if you never cuss him back about him dead sitting.
No, no, no. Me,
Cause you not
Raga,
stay so.
me a different man. The cuss and the bad word and them something there. Me know the father. Me just run my joke and like that.
And easy. No, ain't go lose this so, man. No, they that deserve to get cut off and done right this so.
Man,
Yeah. For real.
done with him and worse me a say he swipe it to him raga but me a girl you know and raga me no love his swiping. You see my fireside. Me love when the hood in my fireside.
You know like when man swipe you, I know your thing there.
Me no love it. Me no love it.
You know you like when you know within your fireside, you know?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
That fit there in your fireside. Yeah. Yeah. You know, push wood in a fire, you know?
Yes, man. Blaze up the fire. Blow up. Fire. Yes.
What you say? What you say? Ilian, what you say? What you say?
Blow up on the fire. Make the fire blaze.
Blaze it up. Oh, God, I tell you what it.
Swipe, yeah, Raga. Me no enjoy that.
No, you know, enjoy it and thing, but you know, some most of the ladies I'm out there, them like it, you know. You know?
Well, that's a for them thing, you know, Ragashanti. Me
Yeah.
rather my fireside.
Yeah.
Good enough.
Yeah, the woman, Shani Pepper and them woman, them like that, you know, man.
Okay.
Yeah, you know.
So to your friend on your Mango.
Mango good, man. Mango up here, man.
And Mr. Never Wrong.
Mr. Never Wrong the boat, you know, I'm up on Bronx side, they see him, you know. And thing, but yeah, but me not think him do TikTok, you know. So him not really know TikTok and thing. Mr. Never Wrong is a radio man, you know. And thing, you know. But them they both, man. Boy, just a joy to hear your voice, here.
Yes, Raga.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. And I hear some of them Monday to Thursday evening time, yeah?
Man, I thought Spicy don't give me the response.
All right, now say a word, man, and bless up yourself.
Your friend, I thought Spicy always a PR man.
Prezi. Yeah, man, Prezi good, man. Prezi there in New York with him, man. Everything proper. Prezi a juggle see him, man. The whole family. Harry Jam crew there, they see him and thing. You know, me over here, you know, I do think, because, you know, I'm a lawyer now too, right? So,
yes, man.
Yeah, I do, you know, I balance up my thing, them, and I do my thing, and the kids, them, all right, and thing, boy. But it's always a joy to talk to you, know, my friend, all right?
Yeah. I got one more thing.
Yeah.
Last night, I listened to one program, and them I said, Master B.H. why one name?
Well, then say, yeah, what them say about it?
It not LT. Said the man, remember said the man, them have to go so with them and you know.
Yeah.
And like them are saying the and kind of mash up some game because alright, him get little juju now.
Yeah.
You see, as him going at the juju,
Yeah.
him come. So them I said that.
Well, true and false, you know, right? What they're saying is, all right, you see, if you do that too much, and if your goal is just to pop off, then in your mind, remember, it's physical, you know, but again, you know, most of it is mental. So if you do that for pop off, and you do it so much, and your mind, you condition your mind now, if you say the objective here is not to be doing the action for a long time, but the goal is always to pop off. After a while, your mind just condition. All right. You ever notice that some people will take a train or they may take a bus and them asleep in the bus or the train, right? And them all a buck and people all a bounce them and them all some heavy buck. And the train a shake up and the bus a shake. I ever notice that them not wake up, right? Them asleep right through it. The whole car them just so tired of them asleep right through it. But just as them boat for reach them bus stop, then get up.
Yes.
You ever notice, you ever see something like that happen?
Yes.
What happening now is that the body and the mind in unison, unconsciously, have been conditioned to know, say that stop there, come up right there, so now. And there's a bossy word, a confluence of all kind of variables. Sometimes how the train move or some corner or whatever. Sometimes just the duration of the time when the person sit on there and all them something there. But it's like your mind just set for, for wake up that time there, right? Some people, them wake up at a certain time in the morning, and if them go up and if them all go late, right? And if them go bed 1 hour before the time when them usually, them body still get up at that time there. Them have to get up and then go back to sleep because the body has said, no, at that time you get up. This has been programming on me for you get up that time. Yeah. So the brain and do that something there. So it's the same thing with that activity. If you do that activity so much where it, it programming on you, so the objective here is for you to pop off as quick as possible. The brain, you work towards that, and you condition your muscles and you wait name there that way there, and thing. No, to do that. So that is true. If you do that so much, if you back your fist so much and whatever, and it's always for you reach your objective there quick. By the time you get some real something and thing and whatever, the same program will play out, so it's to get there quick because you have already been practicing and training yourself not to stay during the process of that action, but to go boom, 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 and go out quick. Now, there are people out there though who will do that and thing, but then when time it comes to certain thing, them switching a different mindset. And them will still take long.
Yeah.
And them will still take long. Even though when them back them fist to themselves, them pop off quick. Them will go so boom down and get certain work and thing and then we take a while. And wait 1 second. You're gonna have to get off that here for a while, yeah? Oh, right. So it's not absolute, it's not absolute. Now, there are some other theories out there and argument out there that that it's generally not a good thing. But then you have people who argue, say, no, it's a good thing. The backup aisle something to them. Say, you have people have all kind of argument who say that is not necessarily good either. You have to get some release too, and things like that. So I don't know. But and for women it's different, Because remember, we don't have nothing where to come up for to use and whatever. It's but then again, at the same time, you have women who are using these things to reach that point. And then now, if them are juggle with a man now, no man can do what them look machine they can do. No man can do what a machine they can.
Not true. Time machine can go hours.
Hours. No, but not only that, even if the machine go 5 minutes or 10 minutes, what the machine are doing at 5 or 10 minutes, no man can do what the machine can do. You understand? So you have women who are addicted to what the rules and them something they can do. And when they go in a man and whatever, it's like nothing to them because them get so focused on you know, the big O, you know, them get so focused on that it's about that them lose the capacity to enjoy intimacy. But then again, you have another set of women who will tell us, nah, when me use the roads, it's just to reach a big O. When me a juggle with my gentleman, me in a whole different mindset. Me want the romance. Me want the, me wait name the because a boy and everyone so me don't want to hear me I say
Yes,
certain
me
things.
understand.
Yeah.
So
What?
you hear from Britney since?
Huh?
Britney.
You mean from the big war?
No man, Britney and something that her husband name.
You never hear about the big war?
No,
What the backside do you?
so they mash up.
No, them not mash up. Britney cuss out my clot, man.
Oh, what ready, I say.
But me think you didn't know about that show. No, it was on YouTube. No, man, Britney, give me a proper cussing, man.
Hey, what?
You know, I don't even remember, but cuss me up on the show, you know, man. Deal with I mean, me laugh it off and all them things there, whatever. But, yeah, man, we see a side of Britney come out there where our husband did a warn me about her. And I said, listen, you know, because remember she did come, you never know, but she come and basically I tell about some problems with him. And then him come in after now and I defend it. And he must say, listen, don't know. Eh?
Talk.
No, him did forward no and I said, don't know my wife, you know, think know her and all them something there, whatever, and thing. Because what she did present to it just make him did look bad. So him did come on in very careful language and in a respectful and diplomatic language, you know. He did a very manly thing in my opinion. Because when me tell you that Britney did throw him under the bus, you know, man. When me say bad, you know, all people over here on a like mark, you know, man, and whatever, and a bun up mark, you know, based on what Britney say. And when him forward, him never done her, you know. Him never threw her under the bus and say bad things about her, you know. Him just say enough if he say we not understand what really are going because, you know, that she's a certain way. And then after that, now, probably somebody can tell me later, but me don't know about it end up where she have a disagreement, something whatever, but Britney end up cuss me, dog rotten. And me not answer. Me don't even argue back with her or nothing, man. Like, done me. And me just easy and say, no, you know, so me not go. Britney, me ain't not gonna argue, you know. So what you say or whatever, you know?
Raga.
Yeah.
Me no praise man.
Yeah.
What is needed in a Britney case to see your foot? As what old time people that say, wash it and drink water.
You know.
Well, you know, them something that's still about the truth.
It is what it is. It's just life, you know. You're there for, you know, sometimes things just come around and things. And people who you don't expect to do certain things, and them are the one are people you did dead for, you know, in a real and substantial. We are them same and come kick away your foot. It happens, you know? So it go. But anyway, Elaine, love and blessings, man. It's a joy to hear your voice, all right?
Yes, my love. Now continue watch your show right through.
All right. And you still have that line? Well, nobody say yes, my love, like you know. I know it's a Jamaican woman something that you know, but the way you say yes, my love. all right, Elaine. Big up yourself. Elaine, too cute people. Know that. All right, cool. No, he got the agent, no. And when Elaine not give no joke or whatever, just listen to her voice and her syntax and her vernacular and the rhythm of her speech or whatever. It just make you have a laugh, you know. Elaine, we just tell her to go shop, go buy flour or whatever. It just sound entertaining. You know, yesterday when we take the call and with the people who, you know, jacket and thing, it was interesting to me to see how many people in the chat that said them a jacket. Right? It was quite a few I wanna did in the chat and I explained so on a jacket, you know. Which it shouldn't be surprising given what we have been, you know, the research and from the US Embassy, the information that we have been getting, you know. So if we just use those as indicators of the extent to which jacket exists, then clearly it's a whole heap, right? But just in the chat yesterday when the show did I go on, a bunch of people, man, send them a jacket. Hello? Hello?
Raga,
Yeah, greetings, Wagwan.
not much.
Talk to me.
So, this is about the jacket mix-up.
Yeah.
Not really a mix-up because it's real life story and it affects people.
Well, yeah, that's a mix-up. Most mix-up a real life story.
All right, so this is the story of how me have 5 last name. So,
5 last name?
yes, Raga.
Jesus, tell
So for
me.
the last 2, it was by marriage. So we're not really have to get in at that,
Right.
but we're getting at the first 3.
Yeah.
So as a little girl growing up, why the feedback have thrown me off. But as a little girl growing up,
Yeah.
I grew up with a gentleman in my home,
Right.
which me hear my older sister was calling daddy. So growing up, you know, you have to call the person daddy too.
Yeah.
So, you know, when I was about 11,
Yeah.
my mother, like, she bring me aside and say, well, you know, say, this man is not your father, and me I go introduce you to your father.
Yeah.
So at that point, me as a girl child now, little pitney,
Mm-hmm.
me did have the name in the household, which was her married name.
Mm-hmm.
And this man have that same last name. So me now think say yes, I'm my father that.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, I can remember like maybe years before, when I did little younger, like my sister said to me, my older sister, she said, I know this man is your father, you know, your man is a soldier man. But as a little picnic, you know, like take note of it.
Right.
So as me say now, me about 11, and you know, she introduced me to this man and say, are your father this?
Mm-hmm.
No, you know, me get to know the man and whatever, but the man now, me that say him is not a handsome man. But me no know. It's like, you know, over the years, me not really connect with this man as a father, you know?
Mm-hmm.
But his mother, God bless her soul, the woman, she did love me. Anything when me ask her, me get.
Mm-hmm.
Like, she was the world to me.
Mm-hmm.
But, you know, growing up, that was that. Eventually, maybe a couple years after that, she say, like the man said him want me to have him last name. So eventually, you know, in a Jamaica, we do deed poll and, you know, me get him last name.
Yeah, but in terms of like everything, like just be concise, you know, because there's a lot of information we're going to surround this. So
All
you did
right.
have 2 before, and then you get that one, you know. So all the 4th one come in.
All right. You know, so when you get big now, you have to do your own business yourself. You have to look about passport, this, that, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
You get your birth certificate in your hand.
So normally when me I walk around for the paperwork, me have to have the original birth certificate plus a deed poll.
Right.
And the original birth certificate now, Raga, is a different name.
Who that one there?
Boy, Raga, I know, me not really know, you know. Because as an adult, my mother introduced me to the man. The man did have kids, but the man did overseas for a while. So when me get to know him, he was overseas.
No, I see.
Me
You're going a certain information, you know. But what me I say is, so that one who was overseas, your mother did give him you and say he my father.
Mm-hmm.
That's why he named upon the birth certificate, right?
Yes.
Which different from the man who you did grew up with and live with, who you did who them did I refer to your but you said them did that refer to your last name with the one where you did grow up with in the house. So them did I refer
Yeah, because she a 2 time me get deed poll.
Okay. So that's a 4th. So the 5th one come in now.
No man, that's a 3.
Nah,
So when
man.
me
Remember the
born,
2. You remember you have the 2 first, you know, where you said them there was from marriage, right? But then you said the one where you did I grew up with now, that are the 3rd one. That was a different name, right?
Yes.
And then now the one where the different name was on the birth certificate now. That not 4?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. And then which one is 5th one now?
All right. So the original one would have be the name where the birth certificate coming out. The second one I when she deed poll to fear married name.
Okay.
The third one is when me at 11 and the man come and say him want me in a film last name.
And then them did pull your name again.
Yes.
And then the other 2 are when you get married 2 times, you change your name.
Yes. So Raga, up till now, today,
Yeah.
me not sure which out of the 2 man are my father.
But you know, but
Me not sure if are the original one from the birth certificate or the one we come when me at 11.
But based on what your mother says, it's not the original one on the birth certificate.
Me not think she sure, Raga.
Oh, you not think she's sure?
No, because I mean, as a grown up now, me understand and me feel like some overlapping did go on and she not know.
No, it's enough time the woman them no know, you know. Them just a juggle and, you know, sometimes them not really 100% sure. Sometimes them know and go on like them no know, because them no, it's in their interest to go on like them no know. But sometimes them really don't know for sure. I think them know, but them wrong too, believe it or not. Yeah, you know, as we have seen on some of these programs.
So that may I say, oh, the resemblance coming now is like me not have no resemblance to the second man we coming at the picture.
Oh, okay. But before you go, out of all of them, which one you say your favor?
The one when me know as an adult, the original one.
But
that the birth certificate.
The original one on the birth certificate?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so I could have him then. And she juggle and do some other things and whatever. I could have him then.
But when me ask her, Raga, should I swear off for the cross or the next man?
Well, sometimes, you know, when mothers is who them want, it's not who it is. And, you know.
Raga, me think at the time when the man come, and him a throw money here, there, left, right, and center, and him is a rich man and him have money, me feel that's why she do what she do.
Yeah, well, that could be a
probably
motivation.
If she feel a way now, to admit, say, she did something wrong.
Does she do it that way there? Yeah. That possible. Because that him did want to, you know. Or by doing that, she could have locked him in with the money and thing where did I run and all them something there, you know.
Yeah.
You know. All right. Bless up yourself here. Respect, yeah.
All right, bless up,
man,
brother.
cool.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Yes, Raga. What's going on?
There, you know, yeah, I say.
All right. First, we have a mix-up.
Yeah.
But before I reach a mix-up, I have to say something.
Yeah.
I remember me did a hunt you down.
Uh-huh.
Because your story did make my girlfriend. I get a well, I get a wicked feedback. But
yeah, sorry. Go on, we not get it. You sort of talk as
all
best
right
you can.
then.
Yeah.
Yes. I remember you did have a show and you tell the woman them say to inspect man's socks. And my girlfriend at the time changed out all of my black socks then.
Yeah.
Give me white socks and catch me. So me now say me have to catch Raga. 'Cause I was a police.
You were the police.
So
yeah.
yes. So anyway, me finally catch her down on Nutswood Boulevard.
Yeah.
And the constable says, see Raga there. And by the time I turn on the jeep and drive you down and flash her and pull you over, the constable run out with phone, call for him woman, see Raga, see Raga. Me couldn't do nothing no more than just go call for my girlfriend and say, see Raga, and you call her, and you have such a personality, it changed everything.
So, well, lad, you did a come for me, man, for that kind of. Yeah, no.
Yes, man, come here, say. That man, you let out the secret.
No, but you know, see, man, in a weird way, it's like me get myself in a trouble, but at the same personality get me out of the trouble too. So, no,
all right.
No,
So,
but when I tell people, you know, you have some people take it things serious back in the day, you know, that's why I tell people that sometimes I don't want to, you know, friendly up with people because some people would have me up, you know. Because I know how you refer to people. What he's referring to was, we did have one topic, and we do all kind of topic, and one of the topic was, oh, you catch people when they get born. Oh, you catch your partner when they get born. And one woman called in and she said, nah, man, the right way if you catch a man with the socks, Raga. I say, what you mean? And she said, nah, man, the socks them pick up everything, Raga. So I always check my man's socks. And she said she looked like Pandit Liquor, whatever. And she said, yes, him did a walk on a red carpet, yeah, so. With the red carpet there and whatever. And it was and it take off. And the woman them start to say, no, the socks thing they work in a Raga, cause it look like him take off his shoes, you know, but then I take off his socks and the socks. Cause you know socks pick up everything, you know, and them details I work with. So him I say, that film woman do to him, you know, change out him socks, them and thing and John, I am sorry, my general. I'm sorry.
no, man. That's a anyway.
Yeah.
Let me give my mix up now.
Yeah.
All right, country youth come a town and turn police.
Yeah.
Go back a country.
Yeah.
So you know, still yet hang out with my friend them and all where I go on.
Yeah.
One Sunday, me see a Indian. You know, Indian brown skin them have a different look from the normal Indian them. And me I play them, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And me I said, no man, me need to jump on an Indian here. Me do some up and step to mums and put in my application and everything they go good. And me I say, make us some dinner, cause that's my punchline me I try use, cause she buy things to dinner Sunday. So me I say, make us some dinner and you know, exchange number. Next weekend now, we don't make a connection right through. And me do my investigation and find out say I want like a farmer man bring her come in our village.
Okay.
So me I say, well, if a farmer, me a police, me not afraid of farmer, can't keep a farmer foot.
Yeah.
So me do some book now the next Sunday. She tell me say the big man I go market Sunday evening.
This is a farmer.
And me say, yes man. So me say, alright. Come down country. But me did have to work a Sunday, so me come down Monday.
Mm-hmm.
You ask farmer now, them living on a nice little, like a efficiency. one bedroom with a little bathroom, kitchen, and nice little place.
Mm-hmm.
But a two door, one front door, one a back.
Mm-hmm.
So me now in the room, them have a little plastic chair and barrel with a big back TV.
Yeah.
And me sit down in a little white chair. The heat the Sunday Monday. We had fish. And me I tell us a comfortable raga.
Yeah.
So me don't know if you know the some clear window with that window pane where the bottom one them frosted so you can't see through them.
I know
But
them
like the top
exactly,
two
man. And
have a
come on,
clear one then where you
yeah.
can't see through.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. You know, man.
Raga, it's true. She say the man now come back from market till probably about Tuesday, Wednesday. Me not know yes.
No, yes, and think you don't come and you don't know slappings are going to go on and thing, no rush. Yeah.
Raga, me did they go on easy now. We up on the door, boom, 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 boom. When me stand up and people up at the top paying them, and the man that at the door. Me fly go on at the bed now with everything. And when me under the bed, she let in him. And I don't know what happened with them, but it never take long for your argument start.
Mm-hmm.
And back in those days, remember people usually buy music CD.
Yeah.
So she did a set the ambience, so she have her music CD playing in her background.
Mm-hmm.
And Raga, I don't know if she got off an argument with the man or what. But less than 15 minutes, the time me under the bed, she and the man start arguing.
Mm-hmm.
And the man stammer. And Raga, me I tell you, say, in the middle of the argument, me and the girl bust out a laugh. And the man get wrinkled now and I say, yo, you know understand what me I talk about? I want me can laugh, so.
Mm-hmm.
The girl rewind one song on the radio. Or upon the music, the TV did that play.
Right.
Under the radio, TV. She rewind the song. And when she rewind the song, at the cartel song we say, everybody summertime. If you have a fool man, game bun.
Mm-hmm.
So in the middle of the argument, that part of the cartel they play, and the woman start laugh. Raga, the man take up the TV and fling it down, you know. The man start cuss like a literally cartel in the room now. Him a cuss now cartel a influence the woman. And all, you know.
Yeah, man. You want vibes cartel. I saw him mash up people life all the while, man.
So she drop police craft so she got a station car and drop a big back TV.
Yeah.
And so comes me could have left about 20 or so minutes after.
Oh, cause him did leave too.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Raga, me with my chatty mouth self now, gone up at the bar and tell him man them what gone.
Mm-hmm.
Gone back at town, come back down next week. The man see me. The man say, me, officer, please me I beg you, me say I got me yard, don't come back. You know me I laugh at Jeremy cause me I say yo cho, me not really fear you. Me know you're not strapped and me not afraid of nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Raga the man gone to market the same weekend when he want me. And me gone a yard now. Raga, but the Tuesday, early morning, cause me sleep over now, things work out for me. Raga, in the early morning, me at the front door knock. When we peep out again at the man, Raga, me say me start run through the back door with everything. The government weapon in a one hand, close in the next. Raga, me they go through the back door fast like a Safa Powell, not like bolts, cause me not that talented. And when me they go through the back door, Raga, the man slick me out of one piece of two before in my belly.
Well, and him run come around the back and him know say I go run
Yes,
through the back door.
like in the front and run go back.
And licking at your belly with
Man,
a
give me
big piece of board.
a bit. Raga, every oxygen out of the system fly out.
So why am I to the government weapon?
So well, I know, you get a part too. When me and the man cover me now and I say, stand and no. You to me warn you. You see me warn you. By the time if you regain everything, strength and everything, start search for everything. Me can't find the government weapon. A man can't go down a station.
Him carry the gun, go down a station, go down the police, the nearest police station.
Yeah, go get the inspector. Me never know say him want the inspector about me, you know.
You never
But
know
because me no station, the inspector in the country, him want him about me. But remember, me no station there, so me wouldn't know.
Oh,
Raga,
okay.
I was so embarrassed when me have to tell the people them what really transpired. Yeah, man, and it did stretch out for a while and rare till all work out and from that, me say me no go.
I saw the police stand, man, and I love jump up in a man and woman belly and
Raga, me I tell her, that me feel the piece. Me say, I get a lick.
Well, listen, we're glad I in your belly you get it because I could have did in your head, you know, and it would have different done.
Yeah, man, but respect, man, and blessings.
It goes some man, all right, and protection, see? All right, blessings.
All right.
Yeah, man. Why them man they who beat up man who them woman choose to go sleep with? I mean, I do that, you know. I do that, you know. If my woman choose to go sleep with you never do nothing wrong. No, she give you, take it, yes. Yeah, take it, yes. I say that, whatever. If a woman are running for me and thing and whatever, and me like her like that, and we go screech like that, take it, yes. So no found no love, I don't feel free for do certain things, but when that my tune on no lose on no mind, so. You know how much man out the road that sleep with other man, woman. I don't think nothing of it and a hype and whatever. But as soon as I hear say a man asleep with for them woman and whatever, nobody no more morally righteous than them. Nobody no have the most reasons why what she did was terrible and what him do was terrible or whatever. That the time they do it too, you know. And all the hype about it too, you know. You understand? Remember the world work, you know. Whatever energy you put out in the world, at some point it'll come back by you. So if it come by you, you just hold it like a man. And about that go, I say I hold heap of man out there, man. If you hear some boy chat, you know, run up them mouth and chat too much and whatever and thing, you know. Right? Don't even protect the woman them too. Them just chat, you know. Right? But as it reach them, man, them have all these reasons why the woman are wicked. Why them never deserve to get where, you know? That's why them never get for deserve. That's why, you know, them never deserve to get where reach them. That the time them make it a reach other man left, right, and center. And they sweet them and all style up a man. Them idiot man, Ray. And me if him girl, and me and this and that. After him can't manage it, him can't deal with it good and whatever and this and that. Him drop the catch and me I send it up and Ray. And when that reach them now want to face the thing. Say, yeah, you have some inadequacy too. Yeah, you are drop the catch in some way too. That's why I should go out there. Yeah, you not 200 either. You know, you mean things say you're house in order over here. No, it's not. You understand? Yes, all right, to the phone. Almost I have time pass it to the phone line, you know. I don't know, phone line.
Raga, I'm not saying.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Good night, everybody. The story previously with the guy is not adding up. Because when he first said him run through the door with the gun to the bush, remember, you know? So how would the guy get the gun if he can't go back to the police station?
Oh no. There's a feasible part there. Remember, him say what I heard, and can correct me if I'm wrong. him run
See,
through the door, and when him a run through the door, the man run there at the back.
see, Raga, read the comments them,
What?
cause everybody I hear the same thing me hear.
What?
Me I have conversation
No,
downstairs.
you know, but make me finish so when me I tell you some me hear, you know. Me say when me hear, and you can correct me if I'm wrong. Somebody say, remember police are telling stories, so they must say, then I must lie.
Okay. See, me I gonna come down
No.
because I have no business being
No,
up
no,
here.
no,
but
no,
okay.
no. Well, no. What I'm saying, and you can correct me if I'm wrong. Me never hear the bush part, so him probably say it, but me never. What I heard
See?
him say is that he was running out, and the man at the back I lay with him and lick him with a 2 before in his belly.
And then remember, first it was a CD player, then it became a big back TV, and she could have rewind the big back TV, Raga. Raga, me a come on.
No, that is a good
Let's
point.
let this
No,
one,
what?
Raga.
No. Stay where you're there because it's a good point you make right there, so you know.
Okay.
Oh, the big back TV, them never have
Okay.
that smart TV
Okay.
capability there.
Thank you.
Thing, yeah. And the one thing when him say when me did that pre is like him say the first time him go under the bed. But him say the second time him run through the back door. So I was thinking like, why would you go under the bed when you could have run through the back door from the first time, you know?
It's too many discrepancies.
So what you say, him storing us straight?
None tall.
All right, well on it. Mr. Carl a while ago, Mr. Policeman, the people them say your story never straight here. Yeah, when you call
Raga, my
in,
God.
yeah, no, whatever you just come in and do that little drive-by, then you whap,
Because me
whap.
shy, my God.
Which part are you shy? You're not shy nothing. You're not shy. She gone for you, you know. And you know, say she not shy. She not shy, you know. But, you know, she probably one of them women that who, you know, want to upfront. But watch, you know, you see a woman like she, you know, always beat and whatever problem, you know. You better make sure say your thing balance up and not come in and look a dolly house thing or whatever. And you know, man, about me shy. And like, man, no woman catching with that here. Shy woman usually don't tell us that them shy. Them just do things make you realize, say, you know, say she shy. But they don't tell you say them shy. Women who are really, really shy, unless someone come up and them say, no, I can't do that. I'm shy or whatever. But in general, I'm not tell us that I'm shy. You know? Just like people, whatever quality people have in general, them no need to say it. It's there. But you see the woman them who always tell you about them shy, them might tell you that for disarm you, you know? Yeah. You have to be careful. Anytime a woman come and tell me about me shy. Nah, fall for it. Yeah? You know, woman, general woman, them tell you about them shy. All right, here we go. Hello. Okay, follow me. If you're not follow me yet, follow me. We have to at least reach 84,000 tonight, you know. Okay? Well, Karen is saying the big back TV had DVD and CD player. Well, yes, Karen, you're right. So, yeah, but like for the DVD, yeah, or VCR. But him say it was a CD. So big back TV, nobody never really, it never did really take off and play the CD through the TV, through the big back TV. That never did really take off. But definitely DVD did play. I don't know. I can't tell me whatever. So hold on. People did play a CD music through big back TV. Let me see what them say. Was it a thing? Was it a common thing for play a CD through big back TV? People must say yes. Well, to the person who challenged the police officer a while ago, what they must say support what him say. So be a yes, me I say this. So I say, yeah, CD could have played through big back TV. It's basically an audio signal, you know, and it was standard out there, so yeah, you know. Okay. All right. But, you know, it's there to never believe in. Okay. I could see what I go on, you know. Hello.
Yo, what you say, Messi?
What you say, John Crow?
Yeah, man. When the woman that talk, me have big back TV with CD and DVD, man.
All right then. So that the argument where she make, you know, for who
Man, maybe she couldn't afford it them time, but so she wouldn't know.
where you say she could not
When you can't afford things, you object to it, you know, you never see it and thing, you know.
Oh, so you
Just
say
ready to beat the police, man. She
ready
go
for
from
the
here, so much.
yeah, she be going from here. So where you say she couldn't afford a big back TV, though.
Right, yeah.
Worse a CD player for play through it. She don't even
Right.
know
She
nothing
have
about
TV
that
where she have to
something.
use hanger.
What
Hang
you
up on it
wait,
to get reception.
Where you say what?
She have to use, if you have a TV hanger, she have to put on it to get reception.
Big girl look around.
You know how she have to use the farmer. Remember, so the man a farmer, so the man money tall, you know.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And what the man do, because that's a logic. If me know my woman in the house, man, and me know my police, most of them country house, you have to, if you run through the back, what me I go do, me not go come at the door and go to have him gone. So
Yeah.
when the man say it's plausible, him knock the door, run, go hide in the bush. When him a run out, he know him a go want to run through the bush.
Yeah.
So him just lay with him in the sun, clot him in the belly.
Yeah.
Because him feel say him get out of the house and gone, you know. That the
Yeah.
man they run at the front.
Yeah.
So it's feasible. So I don't know what she talk about it, no add up.
Nah,
Because no
man,
man, she never run out of no house before. That's why she don't know all of them things.
Yeah, kind of look like when she did catch you, just stay in her out. When she did get
And
catch
get her
you.
beat and go her yard. Yeah, you just take it time.
Well, lad, call her, my virgin, call her and beat you. The man say, you don't know about that run out of house something there, because when you did get catch them, when you did get catch with the people, them man, the man say them beat you, and you just stay down in there and take your beat.
You don't put you on her for a phone. She don't want nobody recognize her voice.
What you say, what? What I want to go? What?
You don't put you on her for the phone. She don't want nobody recognize her voice.
Yo, dog bite, you sample, you know, remember me tell you, you know. What you say,
No,
me
me like the thing, man. Me I watch you from the other day, you know. Me I listen. Me say, boy, your thing turn up.
you see, nah, man, TikTok a go on over here, man, over here busy, over here festive, man. The thing jiggy over here, my G.
Man, me see that. Me can't wait for Amazura in a September.
See, that people...
But me see, you know, put no price yet. I want to go, you know, make up your mind on your charge.
Nah, man, $40 for go in, and then, you know, VIP.
That's so cheap, you put the thing.
Well, yeah.
You have different sections.
No, VIP are 90, and then you have Ultra VIP at 150.
But the whole of people now going to VIP, man. You don't have no super ultra.
We have Ultra VIP, Ultra VIP. That's why some people are lying. Yo, the ANC them say them want a cabana.
Oh,
So-
the honest people.
Yeah, and Liquid say he might get a cabana too.
Me not doing nothing with Liquid, you know, because the last time Liquid talk about him, I come XYZ, I mean, I see man, whatever. So, you know nothing with it.
Nah, Liquid is there at the last Ragabash.
Me not talk Ragabash.
Oh, what?
Me talk him the same day I come in at the Dongston in the back up.
Oh, yeah. Him did for come TamFam get together and never forward. Yeah.
Okay. Big up Brown Sugar. Say Brown Sugar put something there. Big up yourself, Brown Sugar.
Brown Sugar say, what that there? What there?
I wish you there. I wish you should put up our thing there. I wish you put up there. So.
Brown Sugar?
And a brown sugar. What's your name?
Me not see nothing from the Brown Sugar.
And a brown sugar, man. A CBS.
Oh, CBS?
Somebody put something, yes, man. When I answer people, them put up something.
When I answer, me not see nothing what answer people put up.
Yes, man. Them put up them dirty color.
In I chat?
Yeah. I'm go back down here, so. Boy, you think get wicked. I know that the thing just come and gone and it run fast.
It run fast.
Me can't find it.
No, Mr. Delmarine, she post up, you know, for them color the pink and thing. CBS post
The
them.
Marina get arrested in the ice raid.
In the ice raid over California.
They might run down one woman and ride one hog.
All right, Del Marie people, Del Marie living in California. So you know I go out of California, dog bite. I say, yo, say Antasha just bust up some shot there, you know.
Yeah, man.
No. Yes, Del Marine, dog bite say him see you the ice them a color you can did a ride one I go over there in California and them color. Del Marine, you okay? All right. Just send a look at SOS and thing, you know, we will see what we can do, you know, we come defend you and all these things. All right, Del? All right.
I mean, no shot there, Ragabash, you know.
Oh, Del Marine?
That nah, me sorry, no.
You know, if he, white now, Mr. White couldn't
Nah,
listen.
man, she not.
Why
She knows that me and liquid I go there.
I'm
Del Marie don't love the hype. Yeah. She have two big strong man around her down.
Sure. Yo, the Ragabash I got act though, I feel it already, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yo,
People are linked me already, you know.
Yeah, man, I don't ever put in the back. Well, them people, they put them as a TikTok going in and they put all kind of thing.
I want them put my head while ago.
No, as a TikTok.
Like you look like a cool cat strong man while ago.
Nah, it's a wizard. They ain't know, so them have one where they can't. Them have one. A woolly for them have over here in a dog bite.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, but them have one where you can't, them can't make you blow a bubble gum, man, and make you look like, yeah, that one there.
I mean, them show have your swipe. Don't cut me off in the comment, you have the ability to
No, me not cut you. Oh, we reach there, so.
Then you know, see them have the thing with them can make you do all sort of stuff. I remember see you have halo over your head saying swipe.
Yeah, because it's Raga with the innocent mount. You know the talk. It's Raga with the innocent mount, okay? Right? But me I tell you, say them can't put. See what you somebody do?
People put a juju on the mouth, they put a juju on the mouth.
No, thank God. Jesus God. Dog bite. What if them could have do that? You can imagine
No,
if
man,
so.
they can't do that, man. Better somebody go put a juju on the mouth.
It's only with TikTok have a whole heap of them where you can do. And them have different value. But it's only with TikTok low. So, but me I say, anyhow, another one of them, the way him could have put a juju on them out. Them would have beat me, kill me over here with it. You can imagine?
Better somebody go find something, even something similar.
Nah, but...
Like Kimberly says she weak, Raga. Like she want to put something on your mouth. She says she weak.
Nah,
Kimberly.
Nah, Kimberly weak, but what them are saying, whatever. No, Kimberly never said she want to put nothing upon. Well, you know, go, man.
The bubble gum that rich.
No, I tell you. No, the first time I see the bubble gum, you know, because I'm used to them, you know, them just come randomly because them just do it. But because most of them not depend you, you know? You know, like the art and it, so most of them just, you see the wheel and you see the bike and all these things and whatever. But the first time I see the bubble gum, man, me I tell you, it frightened me, you know, man. Because it come right out of your mouth. Yo, TikTok has something else, man, me I tell you all the time. But it's still Raga with the innocent mouth, right?
Yeah,
So that's
well, I
out
know
there.
thing we have been talking about. We have a law, you make your name there.
Yeah.
I mean, I hope your ends the Father's Day weekend, so we're going to get a small circle.
No, man, this weekend, me I host the One Love concert down in Atlanta, you know. One a dog, look on the dog, on my mouth.
One dog a kiss you up, what go on there?
Yeah.
Be careful down Atlanta there, you know.
What you say, what?
Be careful down Atlanta.
What you mean?
What you talking
What the bubble coming there? Well, I know. What you mean? What you mean? What? With what?
You know, no other place in that Atlanta not really normal, you know, so be careful.
Nah, man, I'm a place, man. Me there all the while. I know people I'm for sure down there and all them something there. I have friends down there and things.
So you're down there for the Father's Day weekend?
Yeah, I'm hosting the One Love concert with Maxi Priest.
A big concert that you know.
Yeah, man, Maxi Priest, Luciano, Itana, Inner Circle, Bad Boys. What you gonna do?
You're the solo host or you have a
No, just me alone. I host the show and thing and whatever. Yeah, you know.
Have a pop down then, man.
Yeah, man. So that is this Sunday the 15th. Okay. Father's Day and thing.
Okay.
Whatever and thing. So So when you are go on Father's Day, where you know your family always take care of you because you always take care
Bro,
of them.
my father there in New York, you know, my father 94, you know.
Me know, remember his
When they're
birthday
in New
and thing.
York, so every year I go deal with them. I'm not like come to Florida. I'm from Florida for old people, and I'm 94. I don't know what I mean
Okay.
by that.
Okay.
So,
See,
me have to
see,
fly up, come deal with them every Father's Day.
see, the people I'm a G, this, you know, this is the original dog bite, you know, long time TamFam. You understand? The man have my back like, whoa. The man don't miss no Ragashanti event and thing. And when the man come in a, you know, Ragabash and thing, a problem and thing, you know. And, you know, him have a look at clothes problem, so sometimes him have to borrow clothes for
Yeah, I
come.
mean, I reuse the clothes them. That year one, whoever named them, I wear last year or 2
Well,
years ago.
you remember when Java beat you, kill you, I say you go repeat clothes, come at TamFam get together.
Me say,
The same, what
I
she
nearly
said, the
just
same
let me drop
t-shirt
off
though.
my coach. I'm going, I'm walking closet. I'm look, I'm say, my God, this reminds me when
No,
Ragashanti
you
that
don't know,
done.
so when Java draw the car, the pie, me have to say, well, on, him really, I saw it go for true, because true, me not really pay them something of mine and thing and whatever. So me not line, I text somebody, and I say, I true what Java say, and the person say, yeah, man, him be wear the same t-shirt the next year. But it's
Raga,
your t-shirt.
no, but Raga, you
Yeah.
can wear one t-shirt one time, you know, and put it down and not wear it again till maybe another year or two, you know. You never know
No,
that.
but
No. You used to tell me say you have your set of clothes and when you used to people you tell all that help us, so you just wash them
then
one day
that me I tell
and I
you,
wear the
man,
set of clothes them
when me
expire.
there Jamaica,
But in
miss,
my case,
yeah, go on.
you know why that not bother me? You know that.
Right.
If me did short of clothes and whatever, it would have bother me to say, oh, she expose me so. But you, you know the clothes are my problem. You go in a 1 year and come
No, well, I
together.
can't,
It don't make
but
no sense.
no, but when
But
me I
I
say,
hope she did it too. And she not wear back the same black dress when
no,
she
you
did
know
wear.
what funny, two things me I tell. Like me tell you when Miss Merle did bring my helper, the German bring and say, Mr. Kingsley, you have so many clothes, you have woolly pack clothes. Me never see somebody with so much clothes yet. But I the same set of clothes me wash every week when me come here. And it was true. And it's this excess thing where we live in and when we come up enough, I will never have it like that. And we just get slowly slide down the part that we will buy all these things or we hardly use them and them in the closet and thing and whatever.
Right.
The women them worse than we do in a dog bite. They're
What?
awful. The woman them awful, you know, because the woman them we just see something, you know, and buy it, you know. But them don't need it, you know. And
And
then we
put it
say to
down.
them and put it down and say, me have to fig one day me will get a top for wear with it.
Yeah, or the event. Every event, them wear
Yeah,
different type of stuff.
yeah, no, but then we just then we say something like, oh Jesus Christ. Janet, me see the shoes, me did I forget it, me did I
I
forget the
forget it,
shoes,
yeah.
me did I forget the
Yeah.
shoes, me say the shoes. Because the shoes, you know, so and so would I wear it go so and so. And then they go
Mm-hmm.
buy the shoes and try it and it look nice from my foot, then put it on.
Right.
2 years later, 2, 3 years later,
Them just again.
me did buy that shoes are nice shoes. So
Mm-hmm.
you wear it yet? No. Why you not wear it yet? Me not have the right event yet, and me not get something for wear with it. Me have to get the right top for wear with it and whatever and them
All
thing
right.
like that. The woman, they're awful with it.
Let
They're
me tell you what
terrible with
happened.
it.
You know what happened to my wife with that said thing that she buy one shoes.
Yeah,
And about 3 years after,
yeah.
she said, our shop going. She said, Jesus, my this perfect, I can't wear it now. And when we go at the event, guess what happened? The heels broke off like
Broke
dry rot.
dry rotten. Yes, man.
Dry
That
rot.
reached them enough time, man.
Because
Dry
they have
rotten
it put
upon
out there
them.
so long. So what you normally do now, should buy a special case that where them have where you can put. You don't leave them out. You put them in a that stuff and it preserve it for a long time. Because when it's exposed to the atmosphere and stuff, you get the dry rot. But the less air or oxygen get to it, it protect it. So when you go in here, you see them have them in this whole case. That's the reason for them to protect them from them the dry rot.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Anytime you see a woman go in her closet and ruffle, and you see her pick up something and say, wait there. I when me did buy this again. Me know, man. I think you know, You know, say one of them buy things, put on, because they get a certain psychological satisfaction from getting a good buy, you know. Right? It does something for them. They get some sort of mental benefit from the process of acquiring a good buy.
There you go.
But the objective is not to wear it immediately, because the conditions under which it must be worn, according
right.
to these women, it is
Represent
not there yet. We don't have the right event or the right thing for go with it and all these things and whatever. And I guess we can't really knock them, because when they go for clean up and them look good, it's not by accident. It's that same process that led to them just looking so and be like, them things
Yeah,
turn
but
up.
it's easier for them now, you know, because before, you know, them have to go to the store for see it. Now they have everything on their phone. And when they find it anywhere in the world, them just order it. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
And but some of them touchy feel it. If them not touchy shoes and try it, them not want it. But them still order them and send them back.
When this online thing started, yo, it took me years to start buy from. Me couldn't understand how people buy clothes on Amazon, you know. Now me do it. Me buy not even t-shirt. What you mean? Like, because my thing was, how can you buy anything you're gonna put on your body if you're not dead? I pick it up. You know, it was just unimaginable. Even if a t-shirt, you know. Hey, it took me a while, not even rag or anything or soap me by from Amazon, you know, for a while. I never understand it, you know. And then after a while, I just slowly get into it, you know, and, you know, my good, you know, and whatever. So, you know.
All right, the G, man, make you go around the show.
Yes,
Respect
Papa.
And go and do your thing, the G.
My brother,
all right,
that's
so
our
we're
word.
not going to see your Father's Day weekend, but we're going to see you then in the Ragashanti.
Yes, man. Yes, man. September 20th, dog bite.
Yeah,
you know, so you're dead.
Flying Saturday morning, fly up back Sunday.
You see it,
Just
proper.
come in for the thing.
Them man don't miss it, man. All right, big up my brother. Protection, man. Cool. Boy, to the lady who called before, my brethren beat your door. Man say you don't even have a big back TV and you don't even know what it man, take I saw it go here. My brother say Amazon Prime is the only subscription I never cancel. See it there? All right, watch your right. I say some people are vexed tonight, you know. I leave after 9. Okay. I start 6:05. I leave after 9. I have work to do. Right? Kimberly, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello. Good evening, Mr. Raga.
Good evening to you too. What's up?
Very well. Had to cancel the request and rejoined again.
Okay, and here you are.
And here I am. So I would like to share my story.
Yeah.
So I went to a very prominent high school in Jamaica.
Uh-huh.
And when I was 17, I don't want to give too much because my name is there, so I don't want my mates to know.
Right.
So I did my CXC, and then I used to have big woman as my friend, the big in my area.
Right.
All my friends were like older than me, like
right.
significant, not my high school mates, but my other mates.
Right.
So this particular, I can't remember which day it was, but I was so hyped up at 17, was going out with a big woman friend for the first time. My grandmother gave the go ahead to go to a club.
Right.
So I'm not a Kingstonian, so it's one of the Western parishes, just to keep the identity.
Right.
And it's one of those areas where we have tourism.
Mm-hmm.
So when I was in high school, I used to have to take a bus and then taxi or bus to go home. So 2 means of transport to get home.
Mm-hmm.
So by then, you have the older guys who you're friendly with them, but you're just friends, like as we would say, mates.
Mm-hmm.
So this particular club that my friends brought me to, this guy that I have known maybe a couple of years, maybe from when I was to live with my grandmother, was up when I was a teenager. So maybe about 2-3 years.
Mm-hmm.
So just mates. And I was in the club and he came in and said, "Oh, it's nice to see you. How was your exam?" So and so. So, cut long story short, I had drank like 3 Heineken. First time I'm having alcohol.
Mm-hmm.
So music was good and everything. So I said, "Oh, I want to show you something in my house. I
Who
live
said so? Who said want to show you something in the house?
the guy." So I'm
Uh-huh.
going to show. So yeah, I want to show me something in his house. So I
Uh-huh.
was like, not so naive, thinking he's a friend, and I went with him.
Hold
So
on,
when
hold on, hold on. So you left your bigger man friend them from the club and go a theme house?
yes, and I didn't say anything to them, Raga. Let the Jamaican talk for me now.
And you never tell the people them first time you go out at 17 with your bigger man friend them first time you drink and you left and gone and make and gone and man you had not tell them where you go.
No, man, no. He lived exactly across from the club.
From the club.
Yes.
Oh, so I'm just tell you
yes.
cross the road, man. Come here, show you
Cross the
something,
road,
man.
Yes.
Yes, and
But
when
what
you
I'm saying, I didn't say anything to them. I just left.
you
with
just
this-
left and gone cross the road that theme
Yes,
place.
but me have my
Lord
Heineken bottle in
Jesus.
my hand.
Yeah. You have your what?
So when we go on it, so man, I hold on and me just what's you say, Raga?
Yeah.
I don't know what give me the strength. I give him a clot, and when I fire it down, when me know blood start rush.
Well, when you man, you have to know if you tell him mix up. So when you go over there now if show you something, what happened?
He start hold on for me and start touch like fear, touch like he want to touch my breast and touch up and feel up and them something like.
And at that point, what you did have in your hand?
Me Heineken buckle.
You did still have your green buckle.
Still have me green buckle.
And then now, when he moved to you now and want to touch you inappropriately and all them something, you know, what you do with the buckle now?
One clot in her head. And then blood start gash and bugger. I rush out. And when me rush out, about 10 man who me never see before me I enter yard they out there, so you know. I tell you.
Well, and them did out there when they did go in?
No. And the grill was not, you know, a country town people. You know, we have grill. It's a concrete house.
Yeah.
So have
Yeah.
grill. In grill never the lock for me. So we just anyway.
So when you run out, there's a bag of man you see what them do. Them did what them did stand up. Them did just talk to themselves or what?
Who are them already in the yard? Couple of them the outside. So he might run off from me now and I say thief. So here the boy.
Jamaican them always do that, you know, when them a run on somebody and they're not thief, nothing from them. Them ball out thief for people who hold them.
Who are the thieving girl? Who are the thieving girl?
So after you clock him and I run out now and thing or whatever, him start ball out thief.
Yes, and him a run with blood pan him and so by then one of my big woman friends say, how they go on?
Yeah.
Thief. She don't know thief. And she back out for her knife, you know, for a bad girl like that, and
Yeah.
me I gotta be careful to kind of protect. So you see how we in the garrison we have different areas. So this club was in a particular era where I live, we control the you know the thing from the western part, if you understand what I mean.
Not really, but I have a sense of what you're saying, yeah.
We talking the thing where we smoke because I don't want to. I'm not sure what I can say on the
Ganja, yeah.
So me from that side where we are gonna have the weed, we are gonna lock it off.
Yeah.
If anything, so.
Now, man, you know the part there now. And we can say Westmoreland was known for have the best weed in Jamaica for a long time, man. Westmoreland weed, man, was like.
And with particular part, we have the high grade, we have the this, and we have the
yeah,
that.
man, Westmoreland weed did up there, man. Proper, man,
so,
yeah.
Straight away.
Eh?
Where him from the man, them it's like straight away, my big man friend say, tomorrow everything has lock up. You mean say? You don't want to come rape so and so. You know that even no one want to try for do. Let me say grape. You normally say grape. Let me know.
Grape, right, yeah, grape, yeah.
Straight away, Raga is like me panic me and say, and then them have to say to explain because for obviously my be blood and what happened and whatever. So it's like me take a time, calm down, and me say to my friend, you say want to show me something, and then obviously she say, you follow whatever man gone in a house, you know, say nothing to me. You know, say nothing to me.
Yeah, wrong move that with the
You
girl
know
code,
what you
man.
do. The
With the
first time
woman
you
code.
can let you out. You know, say if anything happen to you. So anyway, the couple of guys who from through here and them, you know, man and man, them kind of they. Then it almost bring a big friction the night. So it end up the night me just could nobody drink anything, just go in a corner, just cry because all I was thinking about was all those men outside. So obviously man a line up as something where they might have
You feel same did I line up a battery pan you?
yes, and you tell you what now, Raga. 2 months after that, him actually carried out with several other men. Him actually go a prisoner for that, Tell you the truth.
Well,
Yeah.
2 months after that, him and some other man battery one girl and end up
One
and him go a
two
prison
girls,
fee.
yes. But this girl was actually in school. And somebody will just like leave school like myself. They actually did it. And he went to prison for it.
Well, that is an indication say him did a line up a battery pan you too, you know?
Exactly. So as they say, you know, for which side they lock off the thing and the next day me go like in town and next what me you say who said that whatever and it brought a friction between their area and our area for a while and you
Seen,
know
seen,
some yes
seen,
definitely
seen.
and the man them never did a go play you know say you know Westmoreland you know when we say Westmoreland
No,
not all areas them but
no, well,
yeah
I'll know what's so it said. I was Molan.
and but honestly, it think honestly,
No, but
even
me glad you
years
clot him though.
after,
Me glad you clot him though. Me glad you
yes,
bust
man,
up him
even
head,
years.
man.
So you know, say brother, so me earning name boss said, and them when I see them a duck,
And that then call you after that boss said,
boss
no.
said,
Yeah. Nah, hear what me
but
I
the
say.
fight me we are true and.
Yes, man.
Next time I read about a drink alcohol, it's like me grow up, me get to reality as a youngster, what could have happened, and
Listen to me.
it's
Me
very hard.
rather you bust up him head, bad than them battery you. That me
Yes,
rather. So
definitely.
yeah, that is appropriate violence right there. You defend
Yes.
yourself and whatever. I understand because you know some other girl at that age, you know, naive and just a touch road and
Very
whatever, them
exactly
would have
so.
probably just, you know, fear would have just render them catatonic and them not respond and not
Yes.
say stop no whatever and that's all. You know, because you know this thing is about, you know, power, you know, and exerting power and thing like that. And then, you know, your life would have been, you know, changed
Would have
irreparably
been
right there.
ruined
You would have been a very different person right now had you gone through
the
that, you know.
stigma attached and you're going to because it's somebody that is known you don't know how it's going to be and with them.
Yeah.
After when they did what they did, the girl didn't actually come out and say, I don't remember how it came about. If it was like a teacher, she disclosed it, but it was a school girl at the time, not my high school that I went to another one. But he actually went to prison. Not sure how many others went to prison or if whatever, but he was prosecuted, and I was very
Wow.
happy that he was prosecuted.
Which is right.
Yes.
Which is right. All right, thank you for that one there, yeah.
All right, Raga, pick up yourself.
Yeah,
Going to
man.
bed now.
All right, and blessings, man. Cool. Aye, well, I'm glad she get out of that, and you know, she said, "Boy, the other young lady wasn't so lucky, and thing and whatever, and you know, them end up got prison feed. It sound like them. It sound like him did a line her for battery, man. You know, and the other man them just come there, whatever. She run out and them dead and whatever. You know, I'm not gonna do what I'm gonna do, and then come out and call them and tell them for go in and whatever. You understand? Yeah, and look, so that's something him do. See him get catch feet. That's something him do before, man. That's something him been and do it. Serve him right. Serve him right.
Raga.
Yeah, hold on there. Let me check this thing. See, the hundreds of now watch you live and now follow me, you know.
Follow up Raga, man. Give man
Yeah,
some follow, man.
tell them
Good
for
man,
follow,
man.
man. I want this thing I reach
Uncle Bon
100.
Raga again, you know. One more something story me have to tell me. You know, give me story what they again.
Yeah, well, I know what my sister, your name Uncle, oh. Me see, come on, me see, your name the for the thing, Uncle. Yeah, man, wanna follow me if you not follow me yet. Oh, I'm not gonna make me down the show and I don't even reach 84,000. You can't do me that. Follow me. If you watch the show, you not follow me yet, follow me. See, my say I want to follow. I say no phone, say we don't know how to follow. Yeah, man, we can't follow, man. See?
Why it a freeze up, Raga?
That have nothing to do with me, in true. I use the people and Wi-Fi. Oh, Uncle, it look like Uncle have Wi-Fi problem, you know. Uncle.
Yeah, you hear me, Raga?
Uncle Boone, it look like you have Wi-Fi problem, you know.
Yo.
May I hear you, man?
Yo.
Yes, Uncle.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yes, Uncle, may I hear you, Uncle Boone? Uncle Boone, you not hear me? We I hear you, man.
Yes, Raga.
Yes, Uncle Boone, we I hear you, man. Uncle, you not here.
What is?
Uncle.
What kind of problem is going, man?
Uncle, we are hear you, but you not hear we. Here? Uncle, shout me back. And people, I'm using a TikTok software, right? It's called TikTok Live Studio, right? You can't use it on PC. You can't use it on Mac. You can't use it on PC. And one of the things in the software, I can, your bars, like when you have on phone, we can actually see your bars. Well, I can see your bars. So if it low, me can't see it, you know? Uncle. So
You're my boss. You're my boss. Story time.
Yeah. All right then,
story time,
Uncle.
Raga. Real story time.
Yeah.
Don't know a thing go.
Yeah.
All right, Raga, one time, 2006, 2007.
Yeah.
I can live a Montego Bay, Rosite Bay.
Rosite, a Montego Bay.
Rosite.
Yeah.
But I had Facebook already placed one time. One time I have to say that, 2007.
Yeah.
But I Facebook already placed them time.
Yeah, Facebook, yeah.
Now Instagram, they both, and now TikTok and them thing, rather.
Right.
So here what go on now. So me and Bridget I talk to one girl from Westmoreland, and we up in one bush, you know, go William Seed and go, we around, you know.
Yeah.
And the girl sound sweet, you know, something say, yo.
Well on, a while ago you say you and your Bridget did a talk to a girl. What you mean by that?
No, my Bridget I talk to a girl on the phone.
Okay, good. All right, go on now.
I say to him, say, yo, the girl sound sweet. Where girl they come from?
Yeah.
He says she come from Westmoreland.
Yeah.
We up in one place past William Seed and go around, go in one part of her.
Yeah.
So he say, yo, me can't line up on her, you know. We say, I lie out to you not do that, man. The man say, yeah, man, me serious, man.
Yeah.
I say, he say, give me your number. Anyway, give me your number. And me live from, I talk to her for about 2 weeks in a Raga. And it sounds sweet, you know, man, Raga. So you what go on now? The one day we say, right, I take a bus, you know, I go Westmoreland. And the man I go Westmoreland, Raga. But I never go Williams inside them yet. So, I jump on a bus and I go so boom, I take a sap. And I turn in a bush there, Raga. We up in one place, I said, Lord God Almighty, I want to go meet someone I want to look today. Because it's so nice, I mean, that my mind, I say, yes, man.
Yeah.
She look good and thing and Raga.
Yeah.
It's a rich road, Raga, I see girl.
Yeah.
Me say, a girl says she had see this year.
The girl
say,
say what? The girl say what?
And she started up in the road. Cross one bush and in a one yard, you know.
Yeah.
So me look over there, she said, I mean this, you know. But me say next girl, we sit up on the veranda upon the over next time. So me say, you sure I know you sit up on the veranda?
Well, so the one who it was, you never wanted to be the one day. You wanted to be the one who sit on the veranda, right?
Exactly.
Okay,
So
so
he said, I made this. So I say, certain that your cousin gave for if you go meet me at the road.
yeah.
So I said, Raga, it's about Raga. I want little woman, so she's little.
What you
I
mean?
said,
What you mean
I
little?
said, Lord God Almighty.
What you mean
I said,
little?
Raga,
Oh little, oh little.
short man, very sharp about the waist, but my waist. But she little.
Was she a dwarf?
What's that dwarf? Yes.
Is a dwarf?
Raga? Yes, man. Me not class nobody, Raga, but you have a head there. Jesus. I said, hey. Raga, she said, come here to me now. Hey, come in. I invite you inside. Please come inside. Me say, me so forward, man. Raga, I cut a road. He said, Raga, it's not Raga.
What you do? You
Raga,
run? You run? You
Raga,
run?
me the bus run, sir.
What you? What? And people, I'm not being rude, okay? Because some people who happen to be dwarves, they do have sometimes it's one of the traits associated with it. Their heads, you know, tend to be on the larger side, you know. So basically, when you roll up now, you see her, and she says she's a dwarf, and like you said, with a big head, like a big head dwarf. I don't mean that in a disparaging way, and whatever you. So, the one on the veranda did. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
All right, man.
Well, man. So when you go up and you see she's a dwarf and thing or whatever.
But they believe.
You know, you believe.
You still not believe, Raga.
So what you say about the one on the veranda now? What you say, like, you sure?
She look nice, man. She look good, like, you know.
Yeah.
Like I want to work with.
Yeah.
So when me say, she says you don't believe, and me I text you. So I say, show me the text then.
Yeah.
And she show me the text them. Raga?
Yeah.
Last time I so forward, man. I hope I just be thirsty. Can journey long. Raga, I cut a road and about go straight to man to go be.
And you just run. You
just run.
Real Jamaican talking. You know, I say, Raga, I just cut a road, you know, man.
Raga, I cut a road, this Raga.
Nah, but what me I say, you have some man, you know, them work with the dwarf, you know. Yeah.
Why?
You never cross your mind.
I couldn't work with the one that time, Raga.
Why? She did too little?
I still could do it again.
Oh, what I want to go what? No, what
I don't want to keep up a show until I want more people coming.
No, what may I say is, no, may I ask you now, like right now at this year, like if you get a run from a nice, good looking, attractive dwarf, and you know work with it.
Well, Raga, the very tall. Like, me not like, I'm a say pint, I get 50 pints. Me don't really like short man.
You know really
can't
like.
manage that.
No, but
she have to reach my belly or something, you know.
Yeah, but word is there advantages there, you know, when the woman them petite and thing and then can lift up and on them something. You're not into that type of thing, you know.
Me can't manage that. Woman make take them to do anything in the Raga, but me I tell them me can't manage them type of dwarf. Me can't manage them type of woman.
So you just wouldn't do it with a dwarf at all?
No, sir.
No.
No could do it.
And she sound nice on the phone though and all these things.
So sweet. If you actually say, my face sounds so sweet like a honey cone.
Yeah, you should have voice. No, because I listen your voice and people always have an image associated with voice, you know them. Always have an image associated with voice. And look how far you travel, man, and go all the way down there, so go down a sub, and then you have to take one next bus gone up in the hills and whatever thing. And then bam, you roll out and a shot it up, be like, what's up?
Clean up, Raga. Raga, you want some bling off the time that jersey away? You see me bling off of my jersey and me cut off foot shorts and me,
Sure, them
me
time
earphones and me
there.
tall socks.
So listen
Clean
to
the
it,
rag
man.
and me
Of
watch
course,
you
a
up my
bad
neck, you
one.
know.
Clean to your step and ready for impress the girl. No.
Yes, I smell up sweet now. When I go up to the girl,
Yeah.
the girl say, oh my God, you look good.
Yeah.
I say, oh,
Shorty
she
say,
this a must
what?
put you.
So he say, Shorty say, come in, man. Juice
He
there
say,
for you,
come in my
man. Come
house.
in, man, and whatever. And you just wall a U-turn and blaze and cut.
He said, no, me thirsty. The journey is long for a man to go be, so me have to go hold something and shut or something. Soon forward.
Yeah, I just
Brother,
let
she call, no
yeah,
answer.
wicked, and Shorty did ready for run it by you,
Me say she ready, Raga, baby tell her she ready.
Nah, man, Shorty did want you lift her up and then when you all a bounce her, you walk around with it and all these things, man. You don't know them style.
All right,
Eh?
Raga.
Eh?
And I have something for the show,
Yeah.
quick and fast to everybody.
Yeah.
Enough man meet woman in a real life over phone. And when they go see them, some of them for a banga Mary, some of them for a reptile, some of them for a brontosaurus, some of them want to relate, some of them want their body want iron out, some of them fingernail want cut. Some of them
Hold on. All of them name the way you say Banga Mary. Some of them favor Banga Mary. Some of them favor reptile. Some of them favor brontosaurus. Some of them want iron out. Them want
dinosaur, yeah. 500,000 a year.
Yeah, and some of them want iron out.
And they want nice young boy too.
And they want nice young boy.
Yes, brother. So me want the big man out there. Look on no size. They say young girl wear your size. Young boy, look on no size. Because this phone thing, boy can meet woman on phone. When we get yourself in a trouble, the woman them go feel woman them too. Woman may not make you feel less.
No, but you know that happened to woman too, though. You know that happened to woman too, though.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you
brother.
say, well, the several calls we get woman talk to man and thing and sound good and whatever. And when they reach it, man, I want to look at itchy bitch, I want to look at bumper and pimple him I work with. Or him shape bad and stay bad and whatever. So it happened to woman too. Yeah.
Brother, the way my heart full. You see if something wrong with the woman.
Yeah.
You got to tell him. Because you can't bother with the bang.
What you mean tell it? No, you can't. You have to be nice. Them never ask to be born that way unless them not.
You know, say me about Raga, you have to look what fit you in a Raga. You have to look what suit you in what fit you in a grass.
No, but
you don't want the woman and you walk with the woman on the road and you pretend. How long you pretend for?
No, I fully agree with that. You don't want to go into something that
you hurt yourself.
Yeah, you're already uncomfortable with it. That you're gonna cause even, you know, when name the panar. You know, if she not gonna feel comfortable. You not gonna happy, she not gonna happy. So, you know, I fully support that. But you can't tell them, you know. Not that you can't tell them, but I think you should avoid telling. The best thing to do, I think, is to just remove yourself from the situation. But
well, I will have it good. I will have it good. Kind of obvious judgment.
Well, but you handled that one fairly well, you know. You weren't mean to her. You never tell her not bad or whatever.
You never tell her.
You just say, yeah, you dealt with it with grace. So you tell her, say, yeah, go shop and she never see you again and no knowings. I mean, I want a woman go hear what Uncle Bona say right there and start beating. Ladies,
no,
do that. Well, ladies, do that regularly. Right? When man like you know, a draw phone or whatever, you know, to meet him and get turned off, or, you know, him go do something where just making a a man in a minor, you know, and think of them a link over phone and end up a spend panar and all this thing. She meet him and like him, right? And them go on a couple dates and whatever. And one time she decides, so she says no man, him she deserve to get for she run it upon him, you know? And things so him invite her over and she say, no, it was nice. If the brothers are respectful and I like him, he make me laugh or whatever, and really kind and nice and everything. And she said the thing I build nice, you know, like she said, I can't say me could have dealt with him and thing. And it reach a point now where, you know, the link make like the caller said earlier, so you know, say, yo, come over now. And she said she know what's up. So she do her thing and whatever. And she bathe and put her nice clothes and shave up and whatever and all them thing there, whatever. All right. And she said when she go and step in her man's house, she said a bare dirty furniture in there.
Jesus Christ.
She said the settee. She said you know them old settee that she see old
Yeah.
So she couldn't even sit down in a settee and whatever. She said a
Bad
beer
man.
dust on the table, dirty and whatever, and this and that and thing. And she said, right there, so the first thing in her mind is to get out of here as quick as possible. Cause she said, no, sir, she never in the mood at all, and she never did ever get in her mood. No care. So I said, but you say nice. And him treat you good, and she said, no. That was a deal breaker for me. She said, man, furniture ain't dirty. And she said, oh, no, let me back up. She said, a beer all dirty furniture. So me, I asked her now, I said, but what you mean all? Like, you know, whatever. And she said,
Yeah.
because me and I didn't end up arguing about that party because apparently him have like these old antique looking furniture. But her argument was, him was like young hip boy and whatever, so him never come over that way there like one old furniture boy. So what she was saying that she experienced a disconnect with him house, you know, with the wine him house and him image, because him out the road, him a cha-cha boy and him sound hip and whatever and all these things. But when you go in there, she go see all of them old furniture, you know, and them old ugly interfere sensibilities. It's like, nah, this is not the man when me they think you is and whatever. And then she said the sofa no dirty. She said she couldn't even sit on that sofa. And women are like that. A lot of men them no business, you know. All them want to do something there, you know. Right?
But she care about a door, man. I book a place.
Nah, with them something that woman, them thing they are deal breaker for woman. Deal breaker for woman or whatever.
Raga.
Yo.
I could tell you.
What?
Yeah, someone out there nasty thing, yeah, someone them nasty thing, Raga.
Yeah.
And that's how God said cleanliness is godliness. No, you mean your heart to clean, you know, and your place to clean, you know.
I agree.
So,
I agree. No, right. I
agree.
agree. Now, you have some man at that position point, you know, where them not frightened for front and them thing there. So it's like, you know, if you don't need for do it, you just not need for do it. I get that, you know. I mean, it was a mistake or two. But what me I say is, you have man, you know, them just feel pressured for say, boy, she want it, you know, but me no love how just no clean and them place and it's dirty and whatever. But me no want she go say this or that. But me not doing it. She could have said what she wants to say anymore. Me not do it. But again, me I say it have to be somebody, you know, who not frightened for that something there and whatever. But I'm saying that for women now, it's a bit, a woman will like it, you know, that run upon you and then look on your nails and that's it for her, you know. And your nails don't even set right and thing and she gone, you know. A woman will like and check your talk and one day your mouth don't even smell right and I eat that and she go see one corner teeth with just disjointed and women are funny like that, you know.
Yeah, put her still.
Eh?
You say come on for meeting a woman still.
Yeah.
The place have to clean and you have to turn good, you know. First you want to do the one.
But what I'm saying, this is elementary from where I grew up, you know, your girl a come over the first time. Big cleaning. Big cleaning. And you set up all music and go on like say, the music, they just did it, but I never you set it up and thing and whatever. Clean down this and whatever, sheet, wash and whatever. Because you impress her and you want to have her comfortable. That's elementary. And if you really rate her to, you that do that too. You understand? You see it? So, you know, me understand how them think they can be a deal breaker or whatever. You understand?
When you invite, Raga.
Yeah.
This is the best thing, Raga. When you invite a woman.
Yeah.
And she come in here, put her place clean and nice. They put some nice food there and she eat.
What?
And she talk and see what you move. We didn't beg her no. You even talk about no. You just make she eat and full her belly. Next time she come and give you have to run, Raga. Big mama tell you have to run.
No, they don't want our first experience, you do, man. You want to hear out the place first, man, and all them something there and all them thing there before you lock back in.
Yeah, them thing there, man.
One bag of something, man, you have your little long boom. Back in the day, me did have one thing named Dust Buster. Right? Anytime I bring over a woman and whatever, back up my little dust buster, you know, and little vacuum and something. And me and that cat, woman funny, you know. Hey, a woman will walk in your room, you know, man. I walk, you know, anytime you're at college. I mean, I know how them good, so, you know, a woman will walk in, you know, and one strand a year or one little piece a year from one woman they there. And it they wheel over in one corner under your lava lamp, not lava lamp or whatever you lamp. And then we just see that little ear there and all them something there, you know. I don't know them do it, you know. But them do details and them something there. You see a woman, when woman come over, you see before them do anything, them a check your bathroom, you know.
Yes, man, you have to make sure that I first.
Them a check your bathroom. Them a check
Yeah,
your
man.
bathroom. It's a woman thing that him say no, me just need to go to the restroom look a bit and thing. But them a check your bathroom. Them a looking at your garbage and them thing. Them a looking for toilet seat clean. Them a look back at your toilet and whatever. Them a looking at your little closet to see what kind of medication you could have taken and them something there. Right? So yeah, you know, so when I say if you know, say I bring over woman, you have to prepare. Me, back in the day, all the carpet me I spray after me done vacuum with, you know.
That's true, sir.
Yes, man, the carpet have to smell good, man. But I have a spray for the carpet. You understand? I have a spray for the carpet or whatever, yeah? Yeah. And bed have to spread and thing, have to neat up and all these things.
Nice.
And place have to smell good and thing. And yeah.
I mean, you put on a nice foot at
Yeah, man. Yeah, cause you don't want nothing for turn her off, but you want when she sit down, she just feel a little comfort, that's all when she wants to say no. And the whole production, all her work on her. She say, you know, so I never did want to do it, but sure. When I go over there, they just feel nice. It make me feel good. It say, just give man done.
But you know what, you want to get something too.
Yeah,
you want woman get something.
What?
You want woman get something quick.
What that?
One of the sweetest things when a woman put on your shirt and your shorts.
No, stop right there.
That smell nice like a man.
Stop right there, sir, man. Stop right there, sir, man. A woman want me just lock into her. Make sure you put on one of my shirt. The shirt alone, you know. Well, on, man, I'll put on two of my socks. You have to have clean socks in them, you know. You have to have clean socks in them, right? Or you have cotton t-shirt. Them love the look of cotton t-shirt, them too, and whatever. I mean, make sure so because you have some of them, you can't buy the fruit at the loom or no. You did have one with name, whatever. Them the too coarse, man. So you want the soft cotton. Back in the day, it was either Ralph Lauren or Calvin Klein. So me did have some little t-shirt and thing or whatever. Them t-shirt, that was it for me wearing. It was if woman come over and them still over and whatever. Yo, I want nice sexiest thing that you know. When a woman have on your shirt or your t-shirt alone and she walk around and have on your socks and whatever. You remember tell her, and the type of sexy is not even like sawtooth sexy, you know, it's just like it's like cuddle sexy, like me love your company sexy and think, yeah, you fit in on my place, you know, that type of look a boy, where y'all look for me for? Look a boy, now where you stop playing your game for?
Right, sure look what
wait, hold on. You don't hear him there, boss big laugh. You don't hear him there, boss big. You don't hear him.
Yeah, we hear him, man.
No, but when him playing game, him tune out everything, you know. But me don't just say him stop the game, stop and him a cocky ears and I'm listening there. You want to see him over there smile or whatever. Listen, hey, enough. Go back and play a game. Go back and play a game. Me I say, because when him playing game, him tune out everything, you know. You don't have to work, him tune out. But you see him, you know, he don't miss nothing, you know. That's why you have to keep him with your son. Him there, he don't miss nothing, man. But you see the part where catch him, know him, they want to see cocky ears and listen and whatever, But anyway, nah, man, you see that something that man have on a shirt and t-shirt and all them something, man. Yo, it's one of the sexiest things I ever. Yeah. And when I talk about, you know, you look at one over there. When, you know, some of them look at young youth, them would have like, to them, naked is sexy.
You know like that?
Nah.
You know like that turn me on?
Me like, yeah, me like, I mean, that has its place, you know. But me like, you know, you see that shirt, something that my words to shine, like nice legs to it.
Oh my God.
Lord God, and just I walk around and I pick up something and she go and look or whatever. Lord God, man. Yeah, what? You know, it's a come cuddle, man. It's like a you know, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait,
When there's something there, man.
Where somebody posted, so when you see your ex-woman in a t-shirt you bought, a different something that you gone somewhere else. No, you gone somewhere else, right? They say, look like your ex-woman has stressed you out. You
Yeah, you
understand?
can
You
work.
miss your stress. You miss your ex, you know.
Mhm.
Richard, what? Legacy building. Yeah. You still are dead for your ex, you know. Cause that look a random something that would just come out, so, but very specific and thing.
Love it.
You know, you ain't get the perk. When you see your ex in a t-shirt where you buy, yeah, you know, it's something that happened to him and really see that and it hurt him. All right, Uncle Bone, big up yourself, you know, here.
Love Raga, man. I can't tell you, man. Man, put in your work, Raga.
It goes some,
You
man.
look 50, I get Raga. You think I shot in a Raga.
Cooler, man.
Respect them things. Brother walk, but this is a legend.
Not say a word, man,
And
Uncle
people
Bone.
appreciate Raga, man, because boy, really suffer with stress and he show everything we call him. The blessing of God, continue, brother, to bless the brother and keep the football so never be anything wrong.
Blessings,
Enough love.
man. Go some general,
All right.
see? Maximum. Cool.
Bad.
That's a great Uncle Bone, you know. And people who know so from when I watch Ragashanti, see, when know so on TamFam. If you're there so now, you're in the TamFam. That's how it work, you know. TamFam we work with over here. You know how them people have them little crew. A sister Peggy did give it the name, you know. Well, she bring in the tambourine. She did bring the tambourine. And I saw the tambourine became synonymous with me. Cause back in the day when they mix up them shot, you know what it that much. Tambourine for that mix up. I was shake a tambourine them days and then it became Tambourine Family. And then from Tambourine Family, it was shortened to TamFam. Tambourine Family, TamFam. And, you know, so TamFam is about 20-year-old now. Somewhere around there. So, right, Craig Tan? Somewhere around there, so no. Yeah, you know. 20 or 20-something year old, you know. Yeah. 2015. No, 2005. Yeah, around 20-year-old now. You understand? Second back I'm a good man. Second back I'm there Brownstone CMA and thing and she good. All right. Oh God. I can't believe when I do me that. I think so we gonna reach 84,000, you know. Follow me right now if you're not follow me. Follow me right now if you're not follow me. Follow me right now. Yes, I was 5 listening to your show and now at 25. No, it's older than 20. No, it's older than 20. Remember, I started doing radio from the University of Connecticut, you know. That's when I started the radio. Like, I do a show, my own radio show. Then I went to, after I got my Ph.D., I left university. I went straight to lecturing at the University of the West Indies in the Department of Sociology and Psychology and Social Work in 2001. But then remember, I started doing radio in 2002. Like I was on programs or whatever, and you know, Man Talk on TV. But I think I started doing radio in 2002. And you know, and it was Hot 102 was the first one when Antoinette Horton left, and then no, Bruce Golding had left his show. Then Antoinette Horton, I think, left her show, and then I was hired to host that show. So it was from 2002 thereabouts, I think, or 3. So it's more than 20 years. But TamFam, I think, started around 2005. Yeah, so somewhere around them time there, yeah. But me that had a radio before that, you know. Ruth is good, doing really well. She lives up here too, you know. Okay. All right, follow me. Okay, we're at 83,906. That's what I'm saying. Follow me if you're not follow me. All right, follow me if you're not follow me yet. And thing. Let's go. Raga, you turn up. So they turn up like a drop in a starch. Yeah, remember what she name? Yeah, that's the one I think they were used to play. You know, cause somehow no. What she say? Somehow no stiff like on a turn up as a like on a turn up in a like on a drop in a starch. Yeah, man, Yahin's good, man. Yahin's a big Christian. Karen is good. She's still in Jamaica. She still drives for JUTC and she's still outrageous and really funny and thing. That is Karen Wildman, right? No, man, then Ellie, you know, see Marsha Ridgeline over here all the while. Marsha over here all the while, man. We're not really so ridgy anymore, you know, but, you know. Hello? Hello? When a person said rock, I remember when you did have a dwarf, you know. Ooh, that was a famous mix-up and blend at the National Arena. Yeah. Who remember that dance there when we did a dance with a dwarf at a mix-up and blend at the National Arena? Who remember that dance? That dance did turn over the whole of the National Arena, man. May I tell you. One day did Ghana lead. Star Girl said, I was there. Kelly, I said, the dwarf dancer did bad. Kelly said, I do. Lafayette, where I go, I'm a friend. Lafayette, big up yourself, you know. I remember your call ID, you know, unique intentions. All right, then. So Colin click there, another foundation there. No, man, that dancer with that dwarf, the man, it didn't. What happened to Nikki from Delacree? Remember when Nikki from Delacree called in and turned over the... No, she first, he come out with and something, right, Raga, I'm going to put on my customer service voice them for the man, them, you know. You know, Nikki from Delacree. That was funny. Oh, God. Those were the days. Chin Chin, she did it. Isha said, what happened to Tina? Tina Debo, man. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yes, Raga, good night.
Good night to you too. Wagwan.
So, Raga, we have a piece of Mixup here, yeah?
Box me with it. Send on. I want to eat
One
you.
time, Raga, me live at Senton,
Yeah?
and me meet this guy on Facebook,
Yeah?
but we are continue talk on phone, and so he went live at Mandeville.
Uh-huh.
So we are continue talk on phone. So a couple months now, me say, no, so me I go run the risk and go check the money I do.
Yeah.
So he tell me direction when me figure out, so I go town waiting, and then we go Mandeville.
Uh-huh.
He come meet me and Mandeville and everything. He may look good at everything.
Him look good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I said I could have go with him then.
Mm.
So when I go and stop and we buy burger and everything, buy snacks and everything for carrying, juice, liquor, everything.
Yeah.
So when we go in now, we talk and thing, and cook. Cause him say him no want a burger, so him a cook.
Mm-hmm.
So me go and sit them up on the veranda, me about a week, and me say, boy, me like you, boy, so me want get a good vibes with him.
Yeah, so you're bonus split for
So me
prepping
a
enough to go deal with it.
drink the Magnum and me little weed, you know.
Yeah.
So me want to look sort out though, you know, Raga.
Hold on. So you drink Magnum and you bonus spliff and thing because you go sort out the man and you want to get
Yes, me so want
ready.
a good
Yeah.
vibes.
Yeah.
And me want the man I feel good.
Yeah.
I say, yeah.
Yeah.
So when time come no one, you come and touch me and You know, I did a kiss neck and everything also. Mr. Raga, when I go up on the bed, and the man pop out sitting Raga. Jesus, God is a lolly girl.
Is that what?
One lolly girl.
One lolly girl?
Yes, Raga.
What is a lolly girl?
Raga, one big old sitting him down.
But what I name the lolly girl? What you mean? For those of you who know what's going on in the show, Mr. Man, him not here, okay? Just for those of you who might be, him not here on the callers. Okay? But anyway, so what is a lolly girl?
In
One long
Raga,
sitting down.
long and big,
When you say big, you mean it thick, no?
thick Raga, and long too.
But what it long to? Like which part of the leg it long go down?
Why I must want 12-inch that.
Jesus, so when you see that and think, you did that body come down or something?
I say, Raga, my foot then start shake from the bed. The man stand up, you know.
Well,
I me lie down on the edge of the bed.
yeah.
And I say, God, the man, Jesus, you still like shake.
Yeah.
Yo,
Yeah.
I saw the man that come. I say, wait there. I sit down up. Why me grab my phone same time, Raga?
Hold on.
Me
Wait.
grab my phone.
Yeah.
Because you know, so you could have ring your number the
Stop.
time.
Go. I'm serious. Okay, go on. Mm-hmm.
You could have ring your phone the time there. So I ring my phone and me did it on my phone and I say, what you say what? Really? That a go on?
No, well, no, man. You said when the man, you did that lay down, right? Because you're ready and prime up, you know, you're done burn your
Yes,
spliff already.
no
And
brother, wait upon him.
yeah, and then you drink your magnum and burn your spliff and you're dead there, wait at you. You say when the general a walk come over, you say you sit down up and you say, wait there. So, you do, you call your phone now and what?
I mean, him, a weekend when I go to spend with the boy, you know, come I go for a Friday. So
Yeah.
I left back Monday morning.
Friday if you left Monday, yeah.
Yes, so rather, you know what me do? Go on like me pitney seat, so then call me so if you come now for me pitney.
What you mean call your phone? How you do that?
Like me ringing number, rather. Go in at the ringing and ring me number and then me stop it. And say hello.
Well, you ring your own number?
Yes.
Oh.
Like me going at the ringtone.
Oh, okay. Oh, the ringtone and just okay.
Like a ring it a ring.
Cause it come I understand now. So it come like a ring it a ring, but you
So
really
start
activate
talk
a
on my phone
ringtone.
Like a me and somebody have a conversation.
Yeah, and then you start talking by your phone like say, what you say to my daughter?
Yes, I saw me start. So me said, my God, me have to go come now. But him see me a chill, you know, but he think of the phone call at me a chill. And I say, oh God, man, I have to go fry a pitney, man. And we chat a car and said, he say, sweet, me Raga, me when you take that, you mad?
But you need to take that down.
You must be mad.
Nah, then, you mean? They don't sound like you're a guinea gag, man. You never did not drink Magnum and a bunch big spliff and thing and ready for him, man.
Yes, to take sitting less and that, but not that Braga, you mad?
Why,
you say, I want black film.
What?
You never kept me.
What you mean?
I want nice look man still, you know, because he still give me my money and still say, no man, you have to go take care of you, man.
Yeah,
but
at that time, but
help him.
Same thing, give money and say, all right, go address your youth thing. But you say after that, you just say a straight black to him and no knowings, though.
I couldn't help him, Raga.
You couldn't. No, and when you see it, it make you sitting on up. But just I see it, you know, like you lay down and you get ready. And then when you see it, you go like, you know, you say, Jesus, God, wait there. No, your head supposed to, yeah.
Come down, mother, but it may
No,
get that right.
you know when Jamaicans claim say them sit up here and their head swell and their head.
Say, rather me get
Oh
shake me
God.
skin up
When you say you start tremble, you get the shakes right away. But
and when the man see me actually, he say, call when me get.
think of the call where you get. And I know say, they afraid and I said, then I'm if you go take that they sitting there, you must be mad.
Excuse me, I go back up here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can't take that.
Yeah. John, no. And you just cut off a G after that.
Why me have to cut him off like a man sorry, but me help him.
Yeah, nah, go there so. Oh.
And they sit make your body come down me.
Give your body come down right away. Auntie, make you walk weird, make you walk funny. Yeah, make you walk like you're boasting or one of your foot short and one. Yeah. All right, let's say a word here, bless up here.
Pick up yourself right now.
Yeah, man, cool. It look like enough woman go through that something, you know. No, but me I tell you, you know, me grew up among some woman in a particular when me there south. Augustown too. It's just a pride thing for them, you know. And West Kingston, it's just a pride thing for them, you know. Them send them now back from no day. Them now back from nothing. And them say, and when it had this and that, them and whatever, them now back. And it's just a source of pride for them, man, for say, yo, you know, some things where them say, yo, didn't boast me up and all when this and that, me still never, and when they boast me up and things, me still never back. I'm a wallet in and I feel like me I go dead and me I go pass out. And some of them say me pass out and I wake up back, me say, yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, some woman of them that, man. Them that, them nah back. You understand? Anyone laughing, no? At least try the tip. When you don't know, say, say that was it. I don't know if them still do that, you know, but that was a talk when, you know, in a high school, you know. You know, when you try convince, so, and you be a know you get, you know, them time is, all right. Put the tip, man. Just put the tip and me not go no further. You know? Just put the tip, no. Just the tip. No. Cause you go, no, man, me not do that, man. Just put the tip, man. No, cause you go want to put the tip. No, man, you and me, I say, all right, you own it. You own it and put it on it. Put it on the tip, no, man. Put it on the tip. All right, come Who remember them days there? God. Them days, the boy.
Yeah, Raga.
Greetings.
Greetings, my general.
Yeah.
What's me have a story for you, though?
I could hear it, no?
When me about 19,
Yeah.
you used to do delivery work for FSC, you see me?
Yeah.
I got a mobile one Friday. I book a big woman.
Mm-hmm.
Big woman look like she about in her 30s. And me has put looking argument to woman at supermarket, you know?
Okay, so you was 19 and she in her 30s. Okay.
Not born in her 30s.
All right. Okay.
So, I put some looking argument to a big woman, but the big woman, nah, but
Yeah.
I don't know where I get to youth still. But then they are going freestyle, see me and end up get her number still.
Mm-hmm.
You see me?
Mm-hmm.
When I get her number now, me I say, all right, try convince her to come to town, you know.
Yeah.
Try convince her to forward a town, and she say, yo, she don't really like town.
Yeah.
But she will take a chance. But you know, the one morning, you know, and she tell me, say, yo, she will forward the next morning. So I wake up early from the next morning, you know, and start rake up yard and straighten up bed and them things. And Nah, see no call come in, nah, see no text. So me I wonder what go on. Big woman tell me say she nah get to come in a Raga. I tell the boy, I tell the day there, me feel that I wake up a big yard, me live in a holy package tree there in a yard and rake up and clean up and everything. And big woman just tell me say, nah, forward star. You know what? When the wickedest thing reach me still in a life still, cause never get them stand there after that still.
That was just terrible. That was an awful thing to happen to you, man. And not only that, it's just shocking too, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that really, it must really mash you up, no?
Yeah, mash me up, man.
Yeah,
Big
man. No, me can't see how you'd call in and share that because that's a big deal. It's huge. It was just awful. And thing. But you
well, big up
survive it
yourself,
still, you know? You survive it, yeah?
Yeah, big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Cool, man. Cool. You know, say, you know, this thing with this video thing, you know, is a whole different thing, you know, because you say, oh, me stay, you know, I see you, me stay with me at the radio, you know, but now you can't see me now. Now you see me look, yeah, you know, like visually connect now, you know, so it's like, you know, what going on go through my mind because I go through phone of mine too, and then me end up I do all things now where align with what I got through phone of mine, which is what I got through my mind and thing, and it's just a whole different entertainment experience now, you know, with this visual thing or whatever. Yeah. Okay then. Moving right along. All right. So make we all right, scene.
Yeah, Raga.
Greetings.
Yeah, man. What going, bro?
There, you know.
Yeah. Tell me about town like a crave man and the district where I grew up, you know.
Tell me.
All right. It's a farming area, is it?
Yeah.
So this man get up early in the morning, but him stop out maybe at least 10 houses before we try and bush.
Yeah.
But everywhere he reach, he must get something to eat.
Yeah.
So one year the next door, me now, bigger man. At the time, was about 20 something.
Yeah.
But them still get beaten from them parents. So anyway.
Or at 20 something, him still I get beaten from him parents.
Yeah, man.
The same man, the same man where you say go bush and thing, him go get beaten from.
Man, the lady next door me.
Yeah.
So I come to fear apart. But anyway, a man time when the man reach a feed them house, the mother would cut their t-shirt and something to give to the man. And she have to end up at the tea and give to the man.
Mm-hmm.
So she decides she upset and she want to stop. So she going to do him a displeasure.
Mm-hmm.
Them time them using enamel cup.
Right.
So the woman, what she do? She wrap the cup angle with a red towel. Hot the tea, chocolate tea in a Raga. And hot the mug at the mouth of the cup.
Mm-hmm.
And throw back the tea in there and give to the man. You see when the man put the tea in mouth, Raga, the whole mouth come off from the cup.
No, why she do that though?
Because every man the mother cut for them tea short to give the man and she tired right now.
But she never have to do him so. You know, you see that chocolate. You see that chocolate tea, hold on. You see that chocolate tea, something with the aisle at the top?
Yeah.
Are the hottest terrible thing that you can go make bunny, you know.
But then she had the cup too.
Yeah, and she go.
So the cup went off the man mouth.
Nah, man, she go too far this man.
So she know do everything in the yard there. Every chores you can think about. You wash, cook, clean, sweep. Just your mother forget about it. It's not in the night when she asleep.
Yeah.
The mother tear up and give her some rotted leg.
The mother beat her when you're asleep.
Not asleep.
Mother never a while.
Man never come back to the house from that.
Him not touch back the house from that. No, man.
You got every house and eat.
Well, that's why you know if nyami go everywhere and nyami
In
and
which
take.
I was late. In which I was late at the time.
Eh,
Is a man with chicken or rather? I mean, the one if lady, one if man one weekend like Friday,
yeah.
that woman always bake like pudding.
Yeah.
So until that man say when I come to the beer work with him, and the man come back a theme bush the next day. So he get up early morning and go down to the man house and wait.
Yeah.
And him get a big slice of the pudding for breakfast and a big piece in him bag for lunch. In must say next man say, him if he mash it time if I go back for him mash it. He no come back.
But
Just he
well,
pudding him want.
different ways we get rid of people, I guess, but that's how it go. All right, now say a word, man. Big up yourself, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Protection.
Go
Cool.
on.
Let me take this thing off here. Follow me now. Hello.
Good night, Raga.
Good night to you too.
First time caller, long time listener.
Well, welcome to the calling family, okay?
So I have this, it's not a mix-up, but it's a story that my mother told me. So back in the days, they never had an ice cream shop. You know, say people used to go around. Mine used to go around and sell ice cream to buy.
Uh-huh.
So this Chinaman came into the community and opened an ice cream shop.
Uh-huh.
So they had rum and raisin and grape nut flavors.
Right.
So one Sunday, this Rastaman, he normally gets grape nuts. But this particular Sunday, it's like the shop was crowded and he came by and they gave him rum and raisin. So he went away, had the ice cream, and then he came back and he said, Chin, dog in eye cream. The raisins, because it's the first time he's having rum and raisin, he thought that the raisins were bugs.
The raisins were bugs?
Yes.
Oh. But you say him eat it off.
He started eating the ice cream, but
Oh.
he came back when he realized
Uh-huh.
that something was different from what he normally have.
Right.
So he come back and say, Chin, bugging at the cream.
Bugging at the cream, thinking the raisins were bugs.
Bugs. You know, sometimes the raisins have the little seeds in there.
Yeah.
So,
All right, thanks to that one day, yeah?
okay.
Yeah, man, cool. $84,000. We're at 84,000. We got there. All right. So I have 16 more thousand to go to reach the 100,000. All right. I'm gonna leave it there so tonight, people. I said I was going to 9 o'clock. I'm way beyond that. I'm minutes to 10 now. I want y'all to take care of yes. Oh, somebody, no surprise there. Somebody that asked if I play back Punsi. So again, people, remember these are songs I did in a drunken stupor in 1 weekend, 2 days with my brethren Gibby over in Cassia Park. They're really folk songs, you know? Because that is my type of music that I love. Yeah, like festival songs are them something that I love, you know? Or like some of the young people wouldn't know this, but Stanley and the Turbines type of song them are my type of song them there, you know? Love in There, yeah, Roy Ryan, Astronaut, Ernest Smith. People have been trying to find this song where Ernest Smith, I think, sing with the domino, you know? The domino game get hot and then the whole lyrics and thing, and you know, you win key, you have hard and pan both in the domino, game. For those of you who understand what I say. But it was like a really good song. I may try I'm trying to find the song and I can't find it. I don't know. People in my age group who don't know me at that, man. The damn know game get at play up the key card, yeah, man, you know. Who sung it? Was it Ernest Smith? That one of them, man. What are them song them I love? You know, Pluto Shervington, you know. The man get catch in the closet and then sitting there and whatever, and those were the songs that, you know, and them type of thing them I love. So the little song them me they do, and this was just fun, you know. It's not clearly whenever I pursue a music career or whatever, but Punsi is a crowd favorite for obvious reasons, so I'm going to play Punsi. All right, kind of want to hear. Okay, let's go.
Me a the slamming king in a the country. I know gal ball out and me a gane. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me the gal nearly kill me. Follow the shanty. Slamming king in a the country. Only a gal squeal out and me a gane. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Lord of my say she nearly kill me. Hear this story. When I go me woman them get me big ring tie. I'm them ball out when me shift them internal organs. Me kill them with the loving, drive them insane, make them mash down the bed spring and ball out me name. Boy, you see them Islam machine in Punsi. Y'all slam so good, Lord, me couldn't manage me. He's a boy when me a slam, me no want no mercy, but Punsi make me ball. Lord Jesus help me. Slamming king in the country, I know y'all ball out and me a gane. Boy, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me the girl nearly kill me. Follow the shanty. Slamming king in the country. Only a girl squeal out and me a gane. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Lord of my say she nearly kill me. Punsi knew where to touch and how to touch and when to touch and why to touch. My body did weak, me couldn't keep up. And when me off and me puff, I run out of breath. She said, boy, tap your nuts, cause you no get nothing yet. You going giddy giddy when you get the over the moon. The rapping matic fi make you sing no tune. The bazooka bat breaker destroyer. And dog yam your supper with the big John killer. Me a the slamming king in the country. I know y'all ball out and me a gane. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me the girl nearly kill me. Follow the shanty. Slamming king in the country. Only a girl squeal out and me a gane. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Lord of my say she nearly kill me. Hear this. Now when I dey me girl a dey slam when me pour back a stream. Punsi say shanty, me want you scream out me name. Me say girl you coulda bright, me nah go scream your name tonight and anything you come with. Me a put up a fight, then she fling it so and dash it so and seal it for me. And in my mind me say Lord give me strength for manage it. And then she wheel it so and juke it and jam it like a sledgehammer. Me say kiss me back with your muscle ladies. Then she wheel it and she flick it and it really sweet. Me make up the ball out her name, but me hold back it. But when she quint it and squeeze it and my head start take me, she say when me name me ball out. Punsi, 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 Punsi. Oh God, Punsi, Punsi, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. A million Punsi, I will leave a Punsi, I will leave a Punsi. Oh God, oh God, oh Punsi, Punsi, no don't it, 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 no don't it. More than a Punsi, more. Aye. Take the car, the house of you, the house. Lord God, Punsi, I love you, I love you. Oi, 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 oi. Slang ding ding dang dang dang. Slamming king in the country to the rapper night. Y'all ball out and me a gane. Say me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me the girl nearly kill me. Follow the shanty. Slamming king in the country. Only a girl squeal out and me a gane. Boy you see me get a walk from Punsi. Lord of my say she nearly kill me. Hear this story.
Yes, it's a Punsi a boss to the thing. As Jamaicans say, when girl good, don't. This is just like a street talk and thing. Alright, people big up on themselves, you know, in our minds, you know. Yeah. enough man don't want to admit it, you know, but enough time they get mash up though. Yeah, ladies, enough time when you mash them up though. Yeah, make boy teach boy lesson and all these things. Why them not talk about that? Yeah, them always talk about how them mash up something. And yeah, and look how much man get mash up and thing. Why them not talk about that? Why them not talk about when the woman them shell them down and then come home? Why them not talk about when they shell them down and then get up and go bathroom and I grab them and the dresser quick because them foot them weak out, don't it? Why them not talk about that? Yeah? Yeah? Them not talk about that something they don't. All right, big up on yourself, you know, in our morrows, all right? Blessings. All right, people, good night and thing. And just make sure, say, yes, if you go to eventbrite.com, you can start buying your tickets online at eventbrite.com. When you go by Eventbrite, you have to put in the state, which is New York, and then you also put in the name of the party, which is Ragabash. So you're going to just put Ragabash, and you can safely buy your tickets online. The general admission is $40, but Eventbrite put on like a $4 for them money, you know? So they make for them money and thing, all right? So you're going to see it for $44 for the general admission. But if you buy that ticket separate, it's just $40. You know? But nothing wrong if you buy it online for like you look at $4 extra and thing, all right? VIP is $90. Them get a whole bunch of different things. And you have Ultra VIP, which is also different, okay? All right, then, Christina Icon. Ragabash is September 20th at Amazura in Queens, New York. September 20th, Saturday, September 20th. Tickets will be available in Queens, like actual tickets. They'll be available in Queens, and I'll let you guys know at the time, all right? Big up on yourself, all right? Blessings and respect. Cool. I'll let you know. Cool.